Hello, welcome friends. Welcome to MyFundedFutures and MyFundedTV. I am Terry Trades. We have our amazing, powerful, energetic, expert trader, Tom Sabo. Hi, Tom.
Good morning. Hello. Good morning, Terry. And hello, everybody in the chat. Good to see everybody back into the good vibes. Hello to Abhishek and Trevor, Nate, Magnus, Aaron. Who did I forget? Of course, the best co-host ever. Terry is here with us. Good morning. How's it going? How's the market? How you doing?
It's going. We had PPI this morning.
Oh,
Woo!
yeah. NQ is trolling us already, guys. Yeah.
Yes, I can't wait to talk about it. How are you?
Oh, yeah. I'm excited because finally I get to talk with Myth again, because today, guys, we're doing the roundtable again. And, you know, I was missing Myth a little bit there. Like, Husk he's super cool, but it's not the same, you know. But we have him now.
It's not the same to get trolled by Myth. You really miss it?
I kind of missed that a little bit there, yeah.
Yes, we also have Pine Tree Trader joining us.
Pine Tree, of course. Yes.
And we will do our hot topic debates, so that'll be really fun. We also have a race. It's not quite the duck race, but it's very similar.
Yeah, I've seen the message there. I'm excited to see that. That would be cool.
Yeah, and I think we'll be doing the listening to you guys. You guys can call in and leave us a message, so that should be fun.
Oh yeah, I can't wait for that. That would be cool.
All right, let's get started. Let's welcome Myth and Pine. Hello,
guys. Yo. Welcome.
Good morning. Welcome. So today is Wednesday. You are watching Terry, Tom, Pine, and Myth. We'll have to come up with a really good name for our show. Oh, yeah. And then at 10:30, we have 4X, Ike, and Corey. So it'll be a great day. Today's going to be fantastic.
And lots of fun. So let's go over the charts real quick before we dive in. And then we have some really good topics. So just a quick recap of the London session. Obviously, we had PPI news today. Nothing special in terms of London session. We swept some highs and lows. So the usual things happened. 3 a.m. sweeping a high. And then just before, well, actually, it was 3:30, swept a high again. Well, sorry, a low again. I thought that we're gonna drop lower because we do have a 1 hour fair value gap down at 837, but eventually we turned back because the PPI number was absolutely positive. I mean, the number was negative, but it was a good news. So the market took it in a really positive way, smashed back up higher, getting closer to that 30K. So just keep the 30K line on the chart, everybody, because as we talked about it many times, this is going to be an anchor point maybe for the whole summer, it seems like it. But yeah, we're going back up higher. In terms of zones, unfortunately, I don't see any on NQ. So I checked, well, actually, I do have one, but it's not like a clean one. It's up there. In my chart, it's at previous day high because I do measure the daily high in between New York midnight. So on my chart, it will be at 30,018. So there's a 15-minute level up there. We could be pushing higher. Regardless of that zone, I think the sentiment, the bias is definitely bullish. We'll see how far we will go. Getting above 30K would be definitely at least what I would think that can happen. And yeah, otherwise, no demand zone on the downside. So just quickly looking at gold as well. Oh my gosh, what just happened here? Wow. So gold actually, skyrocketed from 4,045 to up to the 80s. Oh my gosh, that's a $35 increase. Okay, yeah, there's a gap up there at 83. So I think the push is not done yet. This one's gonna go higher, yeah, also because there's a zone at 84. So yeah, more bullish momentum on gold as well. I would not be surprised. Get ready for a bit of a pullback. Otherwise, oh my gosh, yeah, gold is just going as well. A quick look on ES. ES kind of like the same situation, sweeping the highs and lows. Now we're getting really close to that liquidity void, which is the new week opening gap, starting at 7,615. So it's basically less than one handle away or 1 point away. Really close. I think we're definitely going to push into that void. Most likely could be rebalancing it somewhere above 7,618 or 20-ish. So more bullish momentum in the market, guys. Get ready for it. We're going to be reactive. I'm going to behave this time because on Monday and Tuesday, I got trolled by NQ really hard. Actually, the market just did its job, but I'm going to behave with the positions today. But yeah, it's going to be fun. We'll be reactive. Thank you. That's all I have.
Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
Let's quickly go over the news. Very important news moving the market this morning. We had PPI. It sounds similar to pew pew.
Pew pew. Exactly. That was a pew pew.
Doesn't it? So the PPI numbers that came in was very positive. Inflation is lower than expected. Year over year, it came in lower than expected. Month over month, also lower than expected. The core PPI year over year also came in lower than expected. Month over month, lower than expected. So it's fantastic news. That means things will not cost a lot.
More money in your pocket, more money at the consumer. Market loves it, right? So that's the bullish sentiment there, yeah.
Yes, exactly. So we're seeing a big push off of the news. And then I don't see other headlines. I do see a Fed speaker that was speaking earlier. And then let's take a look here. I did hear some Iran news, the U.S. bombing certain sites in Iran, but it doesn't seem like it really moved the market at all. So maybe we're through that part, maybe? I don't know.
I'm totally off the hook with those news because I just don't know what's happening there anymore because it just keeps going over and over, guys. One week good news, the other week bad news, and maybe the market is kind of pricing it already. I'm not sure, guys. It's really a huge question mark.
Yeah, we will stay vigilant and on our toes.
Yeah, for sure. No full porting, guys. Remember, no full porting.
No.
None?
Like that. Zero?
Not
well,
right
except
now.
Smith. I mean, he can do it. He can do maybe Pine. You can do some full porting. I know. I'm just joking. I knew you guys would never do that.
Never ever.
Never ever. Exactly.
So, what do you guys think, Myth, Pine, about the market this morning? Any thoughts?
I'm looking for shorts. We have
really?
Yeah, relative equal lows at 856 on the NQ. There's a data wick from PPI at 850 on the MNQ. So I'm going to be looking for shorts to those areas.
Ooh.
Those data, long. Yeah, the data wicks don't like to get left typically. So
yeah,
that's kind of what I'm going to be looking for. Obviously, I'm going to take the pre-orbit open, but you can see on the 1 minute how clear this wick is down here. We ran the wick on the high. So more than likely, we're going to retest at 850 at some point here. Not saying it's going to be right at open. Certainly, we could push up to 30,100 before we start looking towards those areas. But I'm going to be kind of in the back of my mind having the short bias.
Okay, so, Myth is thinking shorts today. Tom, were you thinking longs? Are you looking for longs?
I love to see more push to the upside. I like the short idea as well because we have that 1 hour fair value gap. If you guys switch, I'm not going to switch my screen right now. I don't want you guys to get too dizzy, but anyway, I switched it. The thing is, there is no other fair value gap on the 1 hour in close. So there's nothing close by except that 865 down there. Hold on, is that 65? No, 37, sorry, my mistake. 837. So there's nothing else that has been left like unbalanced. So it really looks good, but I'd like to see one more push to the upside. But you know what? If for some reason we would be trading below that 920-ish area, then why not? Maybe I would jump into a short and look for that 837. Because that's the only place left, at least for this AM session. Who knows?
Okay.
Yeah.
Pine, what do you think? Will you be doing combo trades?
Yeah, I'll just be trying to react to what the market's trying to do. I don't really have any levels. The levels that I had was CPI high last night, and I ended up drawing the old box up there when I was streaming last night, and then we ended up hitting it. But I mean, we just trolled 30,000 again, and just pulled back off 30,000. But we do have Warsh speaking at 10 a.m. or testifying at 10 a.m. So that should be interesting.
That will be interesting.
Yeah,
I have something interesting to share.
All right. Let's see it.
You want to see?
We want to see it. Yeah.
I have a picture.
Oh,
there
you go.
25K builder. This is so exciting. Everyone, you can have 2 of these in Funded. So that's exciting. Using code YouTube, you can save a ton of money. I believe it costs only $53 for the 25K with code YouTube. Every time you use code YouTube, it does help to support the channel. So thank you so much. The builder plan is the plan that you can pass in 1 day, and you can get payouts potentially every 2 days. So that's what we love about this plan. Also, it's end of day once you're funded and in the eval. So if anyone struggles with an intraday trailing and you still want those fast payouts, the builder plan is definitely for you. What do you guys think of the builder plan?
I think, it is basically with all the benefits that the builder account gives you guys, I think it's the cheapest account in the whole market. No activation fee, getting paid out every 48 hours and all the other perks and features with this account. There's no cheaper than this, I think, in the whole prop firm space. Sorry, Pine, interrupting. Yeah, so this is the cheapest one. Yeah,
yes,
for sure.
And no daily loss limit too on the 25K, you guys.
Yeah,
if you do.
definitely. We love that.
If you like to do this.
But don't full port,
No.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. Yeah. And we also have another sale. This sale is so big. 50% off any of the Rapids, any of the builders, and any of the pro plans. Everyone gets 2 uses of this, 50% off, using code YouTube. And you guys, you can use both promos. So that's a ton of savings.
I am short. I'm short here, guys.
Oh, okay.
Just so you know.
Okay.
Looking for a 924 for a break even and a scale of 1, 2 micros.
I love it.
And we're going to target the 850.
Let's go.
So
Myth is going for it. All right.
Yeah, stop will kind of be a close back above the 2-minute gap here. So we'll see how it works. I'm not a huge fan of shorting into the VWAP, as Tom likes to say.
Yeah.
But hey, the setup's there. We just take it, right?
Exactly. Trade what you see, not what you think.
And I do like that data low. PPI
for sure.
Low getting taken
850
out.
looks good, by the way. Really good. I love that level 850. I think that's the new candle, right? Yeah, that's what it is. On the micro. We'll see.
So we'll see what happens. I would like to see a candle close below 940 on the 1 minute. That would kind of give me a little extra confirmation for the 924. But let's just see what happens.
Okay.
We'll see.
Cool.
See if it plays out. So
we love it. Drinks on Myth today, everybody.
Might be on Tom if it loses.
No. I always blame you, so that's it.
You got to blame somebody. You can't blame yourself, right?
Well, yeah. So you're my punching bag.
Yeah, that's the way it goes.
How are we doing on likes?
Oh yeah, guys, let's see how we're doing. Let me just refresh the page. I've seen that. Okay, 96 likes already. That's really good because 15 minutes in the show, almost at 100 likes. Let's go, everybody. We need to get to 350 minimum by the end of our segment, maybe even more. And we're super glad to see that 450 something viewers, which is really amazing. Thank you, everybody. That's always a good start, because we just started out. We're getting people in. Let's go. If you're watching us on X, that is amazing. And TikTok, we are absolutely loving the fact that we have more and more viewers on TikTok and X too. So thank you. Please hop over to YouTube. Feed the algorithm with those likes. This is how it goes. Share the link with everybody. Okay, even with the ones you hate, but definitely with the ones you love. So share the link. Let's make it happen. Let's get to 70K subs. Thank you so much, everyone.
Yes, let's do it. And Tom will be doing a dance, and Myth too, maybe. Will you guys do a coordinated dance? Maybe mine.
Yeah, we'll do some sort of dance. I'm not quite sure what we'll call it, but you know,
It will be fun for sure.
I think Tom is going to do one of these.
Yeah, 100%.
That's it.
I decided.
That's it.
Yeah, and you're gonna sing.
And then one of these.
Hey, I'll
That
definitely
too.
sing. It's not going to sound good, but I'll put it out there. I don't
Oh,
care.
don't worry, it will be fine.
When I'm in the
I
car,
like
I
it.
let it rip when I'm in the car. So, not in the shower like most people. Tom probably in the bath.
I
Tom
do it in the
Tom
shower,
actually
yeah.
doesn't. Tom actually doesn't shower, guys. He takes a bath. Remember that.
Yeah, and I light some candles, and that's
Some bubbles?
that's how the
Bubbles.
bubbles and everything. I have the boat. I have a small little boat and bubbles and candles, everything. That's how I do everything.
Tom, call the
Anyway.
market makers. We need it to go down.
I called them, and they, you don't want to know what they said, so they just
no.
messaged me like, not until myth is in position.
Oh,
So.
I'm already in there though.
Oh, sorry. This is what you. No, I'm just really. I do what I can, really. So I'm sure that they're watching. It's still looking good, by the way. So the short is still looking good. Obviously, a bit of a repricing action here is absolutely in the cards. So I would not be. How much? How big is your position there?
37 micros. No, I'm just in 2.
Okay, that's too much. Okay, 2 micros is absolutely good. You can take that. That's no problem. Yeah.
2 micros.
I need
That's like a snack. It's like a
Yeah.
snack.
Yeah, it's a snack. Yeah.
Pine Tree's over there chuckling. He's like, that. I don't even wake up for 2 micros.
No, I can't. But I mean, it's just too hard. I don't know what it is. If I 3 even 3 5 to 5, I can kind of trade that. But 2 micros, 1 micro, it's it's too difficult for me. I tend to overtrade if I'm trading that small.
tricky. You got to be happy with the hundreds of dollars, Pine Tree.
I know.
Guys, I'll be super honest with you, and Pine knows how it goes because he was getting those daily payouts many times with the Rapid account. I'm feeling the pressure every day more and more because I'm happy. I'm definitely happy because like I got a payout yesterday, today from the Rapid. I already secured another payout for tomorrow from the Rapid, so that is good. And that's just a motivation for you guys in the chat that the Rapid account is really doing some. I mean, you can definitely treat that almost as if you were having a real cash account, but like I'm having this bad habit kind of building up in myself. Like I need to go for that $500 plus every day, and I need to stop myself from doing stupid things because anyway, it's so hard to stop. Like I did $500 in London session, and I made an extra 100 for it, but now I said I need to stop, and it's just so hard to stop there because you can request that payout every day. Anyway, it's kind of a bad habit on my end. I should not be focusing on that every day.
Yeah,
Anyway,
it's very
hard.
difficult. Very
Yeah.
difficult. I think it's one of the toughest things because when it says daily payouts, you think, well, I have to get paid today.
Yeah.
And it's one of the only accounts that it's like I refuse to walk away red. Like
Right.
if I'm under the buffer, or it's like no, I gotta get back over the buffer.
Exactly.
So yeah, it's very difficult. It's definitely a mental challenge, but
Maybe next time I will try the Flex account maybe. And actually the Pro account, because then I will know that whatever I do, payout window is in every 14 days, so I don't have to rush everything, right?
That's a great idea.
Yeah. Yeah, so you don't have to rush your trading. It's 14 days and you can just relax and take those trades slowly, right?
Yes, exactly, like a paycheck.
Yeah,
Is that
exactly.
how that works, Pine Tree?
no, I ended up blowing about $100,000 in
Too
the
soon?
last
Was that too soon? That's too soon.
week
isn't it?
or so.
My bad.
No,
My
last
bad.
month.
Ooh.
So
Ouch.
I got multiple pro accounts up to about $30,000 a piece, and then just poof, gone.
Yeah, but it doesn't hurt. Pine said it's
Nah.
not real money until it's in your bank account, right?
Yeah,
I
it didn't
agree with
affect my
that.
bank account at all.
Exactly.
I'm rich.
Let's go.
I agree.
It looks like NQ is trolling your position, Myth.
It is. It's okay. I don't mind it.
Looks like a bear flag. I mean,
It
looks pretty good.
sort of, but it's still it's, this is an aggressive trade, especially pre-market, right? Very aggressive. So we'll see.
Yeah.
If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's kind of the way I kind of feel about it.
Yeah, just so you don't feel lonely by yourself in the trade, I jumped in with 2 micros as well. So
let's go.
Let's go. But I do love the idea that it should be dropping down. Let's go. And,
it's gonna work. It's 100% gonna work now.
Okay, fine. But actually my stop is right at 59.25, so I don't really want to hold this for too long. But yeah, if we can go down to like the 916, I would take off 1 micro, but look at that, it's kind of like pushing back up there. Well, it is what it is. 2 micro is nothing, guys. It's nothing.
We're also inside the pre-orb here. The pre-orb is 60 points today, which is a favorable amount. So I will be taking that, even if you guys, if we're in this position, obviously I'm not going to be able to execute it on screen, but you can see the purple lines here. The low of the pre-orb is 939. The high of the pre-orb is basically 29,999.25. So I'll be taking, I don't love the upside, to be honest, right into that whole number. But I will take that with 10 micros for 10 points at open as well. So
yeah, sounds good.
I have a small homework assignment for our traders. I just dropped a link in chat, you guys. You can leave us a message, a comment, question for any of us, and you might be selected, and we might pick your comment or question to air live with us today. Oh, there it is. Thank you, MyFundedFutures.
Yeah, let's go.
Fun. Let's do that today.
So I just passed the rapid. I went in short off that bear flag real quick with Myth. Just got my $50, so just passed another rapid.
Nice job. Let's go. And that was with, just to confirm, that was with 2 micros.
With 1 mini, $60.
Cool.
Pine Tree, I noticed at the top there we had a 2-minute outside bar right at the sell down. Do you look at the outsides on the 2 minutes or no?
Yeah, 2-minute outside bars. Yep. Yeah, I've actually been playing the Harami candles a lot too, just for scalps, little scalps off the 2-minute Haramis. They've been paying. I mean, the 2-minute charts has kind of been fire lately. If I'm really patient with the 5-minute chart, I just kind of looking for those combo trades that I've been talking about. Yeah, and so like right here, like you have the inside, outside, and then inside, and then take the break of the inside. Look for those scalps down like that on the 5-minute. I really haven't been paying much attention to just an inside bar on the 5-minute or anything like that. I've just been trying to stay patient, wait for combo trades. That's why I have the 5-minute chart. So most of my trades right now have been coming off the 2-minute chart. And
one thing I wanted to ask you, are you using a bias with that? So like if you're bullish on the day, you're kind of looking for just the long on those, or?
Oh, on the Haramis? No, just only if I have a specific target in place. Like if I happen to go short, looking for that data low down there, like you are below that, around that 850 area, something like that. But only if I have a target in mind, and then I might, but no, not really. I just literally just take the break, because oftentimes what you'll see is on the Harami, you can get some continuation off it. So like if it did put it in a Harami, like say it looked like it was going to be a reversal and then it actually broke to the opposite side, then you can get that continuation and it just kind of shoots off it for some reasons. Because I think a lot of people just jump in pre-break, and then it catches people off guard, and then it just keeps going. So I just kind of use it as a little foundation, I guess, just to kind of hop in and see what happens. And oftentimes the stop can be pretty tight. So
I am going to actually go ahead and move my stop to this swing up at 30,000. But the idea being, if we break above that, we're probably going to 30,100. And again, stop to break even will be 924. Getting very close to open here, so we'll see kind of what happens.
Yeah, I kind of hope, at least for this position, that we can drop below the 20s. I know it's not a perfect order block, and this is for like ICT traders out there, but the candle at 917, 918, and 919 on the 1 minute kind of represents a bearish order block, which is kind of holding price on the bearish side for now. And that's why, other than that, obviously, that because I want to support Myth on this trade, but that was the other reason to jump into a short, and that it would be just great to see it drop below that swing low, which is actually 924-ish. So we'll see. I'm going to take partial at 917.50, and then I'm going to leave a runner to 852 is my plan. So we'll see.
And if I had a bias on the pre-orb, I would be looking for the short. You know, if I was, but I try to play that mechanically. So if it does break above the high, we will take it as well.
Okay.
So we'll see. 10-point take profit, 20-point stop. Sizing's really up to you. So it's a negative R trade.
It's cooking.
Yeah.
Cooking.
Yeah. It's like, you know, opening bell and there you go. One spike and boom, it's done. You know,
Trolling
that's how
you.
it used to happen.
Should we do a roundtable topic before the open? What do you guys think?
Well, we have 2 minutes until market open. It's up to you guys. If you, anytime you feel like, you can do whatever you want, right? So,
we have only 2. Oh my gosh, my
Yeah.
computer is stuck. It's saying 8:07. It's
Oh,
stuck.
wow.
oh,
Stuck in
okay.
time.
It's just stuck in time. All right.
Yes, we will not do the roundtable right now.
Okay,
Oh my
I'm
gosh,
like,
it's
I'm like,
stuck.
okay, we're gonna do a quick round.
Terry's like, you guys are so boring. This show is going by so slow.
We need
That was it.
action.
That was the underlying message there. But yeah.
2 minutes.
Yeah, so okay, it's not gonna do anything maybe until then, but yeah, this would be an interesting open again.
Can we get a poll? I'm so curious. What do our traders think? Will the market immediately go up or down at the open?
By the way, despite the fact that I'm in a short, I would be absolutely not surprised on a quick push above the 30K. But once up there, I would be looking maybe for that short. We'll see.
It could manipulate higher for sure.
Yeah.
So open is it's a gamble.
It's a gamble. It is a gamble. That's why I'm not gonna.
I'm seeing a
pick one.
mix, down and up.
Okay. All right. Well, everybody, we have like 30 something seconds. So buckle in. I think I'm gonna get stopped out here because like I'm just 1 point away. I got stopped out, so that's no problem because it was a very tight stop. I'm gonna wait and let's see how is it gonna go. Good luck to everybody. Don't fool port, you know. This is how it's going.
Good luck.
All right, I got my orders in here. 38.75 on the short, 99.50 on the long. Let's see what happens.
Let's go 30K. Who knows? I don't know. Here we go.
There we go. Getting ready here.
Ooh.
Good luck,
Okay.
everyone.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Okay, sweeping up and down. There's no clear direction yet. Oh, wow. Okay. This is going to be 30K now.
Staying inside the orb for now. Let's see. Want to see that push lower here.
Jumping into a buy to 30. Actually, 999.25 with 3 micros here. I haven't even put the stop in yet. Okay.
Ooh. It's wild.
It
Again,
is.
short on the pre-orb.
Oof.
And
This is really, 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 really interesting.
stopped out on the pre-orb trade there. Loss.
Big doji here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So it would just make more sense to me if we could sweep that 30K and then turn around, but it might just gonna take the elevator down to the news candle low at what's that, 50? Yeah, 850 on the micro. I don't know where is that at the mini, but
856 on the mini.
856 on the mini. Thank you. Yeah, 856 on the mini. I'm gonna keep that in my mind. 856 because
Ooh, it's
who
going
knows?
lower.
Yeah.
I'll likely
right.
get stopped out if I go break even here on the 24 level. So I might decide to give it room.
I'm not gonna get stopped out here as well because my stop is just below. Yeah, my stop
So
was.
there's stop to break even technically, but I'm going to give it room here because I believe in the 850 area, and I don't want to get stopped out if I believe that's where we're going.
Yeah.
Now, obviously, what do we want to see here? We want to see some acceleration right through this gap if we get it, and close down here. That's going to tell us that we're probably going to the data low. Otherwise, we'll just take a loss, basically on it. I'm okay with that.
My stop loss was 916.50. Somehow, by miracle, it didn't got triggered. But I'm still in that long position. But yeah, I don't know. It's kind of a weird open for now.
Yeah, kind of muted here. It's not doing much. ES is, by the way, it's just going straight to the moon.
Yeah, ES is pushing.
Wow.
YM is bouncing. It just ran the data low on YM, and now it's bouncing.
Back below this wick, I may go ahead and put the stop in break even. I want to see acceleration below this wick. All right, I'm going to go break even there. I want to see it move quickly here. I don't want to see any strength at all. Just push right through here. Probably going to get stopped. That's the tricky part about this. When you know where the market's going and you want it to do something, you know if you move your stop in, you're probably going to be stopped out.
Yeah.
So that's kind of the hard part about it. If I could get a candle close below here, then I could safely move my stop down into profit and be comfortable with it. Let's see here. I'm going to give it more room, guys. I just believe it's going to 850. I believe it is.
Yeah, I like that idea, by the way. I like that idea.
Even if it hits the stop loss, will just be small red on the day, not a big deal. So we're just down to 1 micro here. We took that one off at 24, so.
It looks like it's about 130-ish points to fill the overnight gap in NQ.
The pre-orb kind of annoying today because it tagged me in by just a tick or two, and then it kind of bounced around, stopped me out, just enough to stop me out, and then went. So I hate it when it does that. You know if it doesn't go right away though, that you're danger. that there's danger. It's probably going to stop you. So.
What a weird open, guys. I just hate to see this on the 1 minute chart. It looks terrible. Total indecision, by the way. I don't know why I kind of have that feeling that 30K is still there because the micro didn't go for it. I don't know. I couldn't tell. I have no feeling. I got stopped out on this one with 3 micros, so I'm down about $300. But I'm gonna wait for now a little bit more for the next one. Yeah,
it's trolling. It's trolling the longs and the shorts.
Yeah, it's not picked a direction yet.
Not yet.
I mean, if it's going to bounce, this is kind of where it would bounce, right? It would make sense.
I'm trying a long here on YM, even though it's
jumped into a long too. Sorry. Yeah.
I mean, it's a pretty wide stop, but I'm just looking for the high on YM. I mean, it swept the 830 candle and then tried to bounce. It bounced really, really hard. So I'm just trying to look for a little negative R&R scalp here on a pro eval.
Big rejection on the ES off the 21 there. Looking like we're about to start accelerate lower here potentially.
Yeah, close my trade there. It's just not going well. It's just not.
Trapping both sides here.
Yeah. Best to wait, guys. Best to wait.
Or if you trust it. I mean, this is a situation where kind of confidence in where your bias is comes into play, right? Do you believe in the level that you think it's going to go to? Now,
TP just smacked on YM.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. W's.
Awesome.
But yeah. The NASDAQ definitely likes to go towards levels of liquidity and then just reverse just before. So front running's probably not a bad idea. So,
Okay.
Oof.
ES is trying to fight back above that 76.20 here. Let's see if it can hold below. Real huge divergence here with ES and NASDAQ right now. It's just not, they're not in, they're not, you know, in,
Decoupled completely.
yeah, they're not timed up together at all.
No, the funny thing is YM's following ES at the moment.
So is NASDAQ, is the NQ going to pull the ES down, or is the ES going to pull the NQ up? Who knows? So I kind of get the feeling the ES might pull the NQ up. ES is just going, man. Look at this thing.
Just ripping.
It is just all the way up to 25 now.
Wow.
That's insane.
Dow just blew past 53,000.
Look
And
at
it's
this
just
thing.
ripping.
I was listening to an interview with Warren Buffett, and like a new one. And he, by the way, looks very mature and still lots of energy. But it was really interesting because he said the Dow, he remembers when the Dow was $100, like 100.
Wow.
Yeah.
$100.
Look at this. This is insanity here, guys.
Wow.
Look at the NQ just drop, and the ES
It
is just
going.
holding strong. Wow, this is crazy.
Absolutely.
Do not trade this if you can avoid it, guys. If you can avoid it, do not trade this.
Yeah.
Now, we want to see a 2-minute close below here. That's going to give us extra confidence, and there it is, that that data wick is going to be hit. And now I'm going to trail down.
It's about to
Oh my
get
gosh,
hit.
look at that. Look at that.
Nice trade, Myth.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Right
so
to
the
that
data
wick.
low is going to get hit here. I think it's going to get hit, by the way.
I'm going to lock in 50 points. This is a rejection block here. So if it's going to bounce, it might stop me out. I do believe in that level. But again, as tricky as NQ's been being, I'm not willing to give up profit here. So we're in a rejection block. It could bounce.
I'm gonna hop in short with you.
It should go. I mean, we should hit the 850. It could go a lot lower. But the fact that the ES is so high here, this could go a lot lower, guys.
Boom.
There it is.
Wow. Wow.
Didn't quite hit my target yet, but
Whew.
Oh,
The micro
bye.
is still there. So 850 on the micro is still there.
Oh,
We took
yeah.
out the mini.
yeah,
the mini took
the
it
mini's
out.
really what counts. I probably should have closed it. I wasn't watching. But that's okay.
So-
We'll take our 50 points. No big deal.
Yeah, I made
Oh,
660 on the new Rapid, new funded Rapid.
Let's go.
Oh my
Gets
gosh.
it,
go.
Congratulations.
gets it funded, makes the
W's,
money
you
right
guys.
away. Let's go.
Yeah, MyFundedFutures and activate that instantly, and passed it in 2 days and activated it instantly, and now working on the payout. So
Again,
We'll
guys,
see.
ES is so far away from the data wick that if we could really get a deep pullback here,
I
we
kind of
really
feel like
could.
that the micro wants to finish the job down at 850, by the way.
yeah,
So just an idea.
ES
might
is
wanna
pulling
jump
back
back
off that
in.
high.
It went down to 852, Myth. You're like, I believe 850. I
Well,
believe.
The thing is, if I was watching the NQ, I would have just market exited there, but I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah,
So-
jumped into a short on the micro as well. Target is 52.50. Kind of hoping that it will spike down and finish the job with the micro. Yeah, who knows? But so
There
far,
it is.
okay, let's go.
There it is.
All right, so
Let's
I made back the
go.
loss from earlier at least. So
Didn't hit on my
was-
side
Almost-
yet. Come on, get
Almost
there.
a full gap fill, about 65 points.
Get there.
Oh,
Get
didn't
there.
get-
Let's
Let's
go.
go.
Oh, there it
Come
is.
on.
Let's go. There we are. There we are. Hey, we got some forums coming in the chat, I think.
Let's
We
go.
do. Everyone, make sure you get your name on that forum for a chance to win a free account from MyFundedFutures. And I believe this forum might be the one to enter the brain rot race, which I don't have the right hat for, but we'll have to make do.
We'll get some more heads.
We'll just
I
use
need to get
Tom's
some.
natural look for the brain rot.
Yeah, actually, that looks good for everywhere.
Let's
Brain
go.
rot. Oh my gosh.
So
Yeah.
interesting. Like for newer traders, I always say this, but when we have red folder events kind of pre-market 8:30. You have these data candles. This is more for newer traders, I guess, that don't know, but you have these data candles like PPI, CPI that we've had the last 2 days, and very oftentimes at least one side of that candle is going to get run at some point, and then it's a very high probability that both sides of that candle is going to get tested. It's
actually 80%, Pine Tree. I've actually went back and looked. 80%.
Oh, nice. 80%.
Yeah.
So you got to wait for your setup, and then like Myth did, you saw a nice little short setup and had the cojones to just hold it through and traded small enough where it eventually went down and tested that area. So
yeah, that's the key. Get the proper sizing, know what you're willing to risk.
Yeah.
Trust the level if you believe that's where it's going to go. Now, not, like I said, if it went above 30,000 there, I would have just been out, because I believe that above 30,000, I think we feel there's a new day opening gap up there around 30,100 that's left unfilled as well. So, but this, I believe that the data wick was a bit of a stronger draw than that level up there. So, but yeah, just having the confidence that it's going to go there. I mean, it doesn't always work, obviously, right? We
still have the 1 hour fair value gap at 837, by the way. So I jumped into a small short scalp at 4 micros. TP is at 3850 on the micro there. I'm just kind of hoping that we'll have one more spike to the downside here and just, wick down to that 1 hour gap, because as I said earlier, there's really not much else to go here. I'm going to put a stop loss way up there, not because I want it to go up there. I will close it manually if I have to, but I want one spike down below that 30 or into that 37, below that 37. Why is it not going there, actually? Because it repriced the 1 minute gap there. I don't know why.
ES is so strong here. I think if ES loses 7611, we'll see a quick run down into the 800 level on the NASDAQ. But if ES holds 7611 here and we get kind of a bullish candle back up, you could consider longs really above 909, 910 area.
Okay.
So you could.
Let's see it.
YM pulled right back in. From its high, and it's kind of just like right stuck in the middle. I don't know if it's just kind of waiting for that 10 o'clock where Warsh starts to speak and testify or what, but YM ended up pulling right back in. So
he's speaking at 10?
Yep.
10 o'clock?
Yeah. It's going to be on in 16 minutes, I think.
Ooh, I wonder what he'll say, if it'll tank the market or pump it.
Well, if somebody has info from that speech, I guess it's already written down. So if we can just get a copy real quick, that would help us a lot. So if anyone has a connection there, just let us know.
I saw someone say, I'll be the White House. I'll be Trump's special social media person. I'll do the posts for you.
Give us your phone number. We'll be in contact for sure before the market open.
I'll do such a great job.
Yeah.
Because people want the information ahead of time, right? Like, it was funny.
Trying to make a new low here. There it
go.
goes. Getting some acceleration. ES is approaching the 7611. Let's see if that thing wants to push.
Went down into the gap. Finally, I'm in a bit of a profit, $390 on this one. And by the way, as Myth was also making his way down with the trade, I also smashed the trade I couldn't show you guys on my Rapid account. So I'm up $792 above the buffer. So I need to stop right now. I need to stop really because I need to request this, guys. I gotta get it out. So yeah.
You've just been printing money, requesting many times.
I got to pay out yesterday. I'm going to request this as well. And last week I had a good run. And this is why the pressure is, I'm feeling it. It's getting higher and higher. I don't know what to do. Maybe I shouldn't trade this account for a few days. Maybe, I'm not sure.
No, that's awesome. I mean, to pay yourself every single day and getting that gratification of putting money in your pocket, it's just awesome. But there can be that pressure, but yeah, I mean, just stay consistent. I think you got this. So I was reading something, I saw something earlier that was kind of interesting that it said Donald Trump is averaging right around 63 trades a day So he trades more than we do, guys.
What? What?
Whoa.
What
yeah.
Okay.
So, kind of crazy, right? And
He's like, oh, I'm in the negative on this trade. Let me send out a tweet.
he's trading combo trades. He's flipping trades. He's flipping the switch.
That's what
I
he's
thought he
doing,
couldn't
right?
trade. I
Well,
thought
it
everything
says-
had to be in a trust.
Baron is
Well-
pushing the button, maybe. Who knows?
Yeah. It says 3,642 security transactions during the first quarter of 2026.
Ooh.
It's
Okay.
Baron. Baron is managing the trust.
Yep.
All right, there's the daily gap fill there.
All right.
Uh-huh.
What do you guys think next?
I wanted to stop. I wanted to jump in a short there. We put in a little 2-minute OB, and I wanted to jump in, but I wanted to retest for the gap fill. So didn't get it.
Honestly, I don't know. Could this be considered as Asia low down there at 750 something, or is it lower? I don't know what you guys think. Which would be the one?
745.12 is the Asia low.
745 would be the Asia low. All right, just gotta make sure. I'm gonna put a line there. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna put a line there,
Ooh.
but I don't know. Are we
going
there?
to take it out?
It does seem like that we're kind of melting down into that area.
Well, let's remember that ES has not taken the PPI data yet. It is all the way down at 75.93.
Ooh, that's interesting.
ES is at 76.05. So that's what I was talking about earlier when I was saying there's so much more room down if we want it. It just depends, you know.
Do we take an ES trade?
I'm going to wait on the
Yeah.
ES. I want to see the ES test the 73, 70 level. If it can get down there, I would that would be an area where I would really load up and get some longs going. So
By the way, how often do you trade the ES, Smith? But I know you trade both. I just don't know how much.
yeah, usually about one trade per day on the ES on average now. So that's kind of what we've been doing.
Cool. That's cool. But are those scalp trades or not likely, or like?
So what I'm doing, I have larger accounts and I'm going 3 minis, 5 points for the first 2, stop to break even, runner on the last, looking for 10 points. It's been going very well, so
All right,
cannot
that's
complain. Cannot complain. Just trying to be patient with it. Wait for the A+ setup only. Right? You may only get that. It's not necessarily an everyday thing. It might be 3 days a week, 4 days a week, that kind of thing. So really trying to throttle back on my funded accounts to only taking A+ setups. So
basically less trades, right? That's what you're saying. So not so aggressive. Okay.
So bigger sizing with less trades, if that makes sense.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Do you have problem or trouble walking away if you have, for example, if you're saying like a bigger trade, like you have, for example, a bigger loss, like is it causing any trouble to walk away or switch to a different account, or how you take those?
I mean, I would say that's something that's the reason why I'm kind of doing this. I'm kind of stepping back a little bit off the scalping, because it feels so easy to just scalp and get the money back, right? Because I'm down $400 from the pre-orb right now, but I'm not going to trade that account again. I'm just, it's down $400. I'm just going to take the loss because I know the next 2 days are likely to win. Because it's a negative R trade, I need 2 winning days to get back to where I was. So let's just walk away. Of course, that's one of the hardest things to do, right? To walk away when you're red. So
Yes.
when you're green, it's kind of, I would say it's easier, but to some degree, sometimes it's not, because then you're like, oh, I can just risk my profits, right? And still be fine. But yeah, it's a battle. I'm not perfect by any stretch of the imagination. Trust me.
I don't think anyone is.
Yeah,
No
we
way.
press the
Yes.
button. I kind of poke fun at Pine Tree a little bit about the pro thing. The only reason I do that is because I'm over here screaming at Pine Tree, please,
Yeah, stop what
just
you're
take
doing.
the money.
Yes.
So that's the only reason I do that. I want to see him succeed. It takes a great deal of skill to do what Pine Tree does, and Terry as well,
yeah.
getting on the leaderboard there and being able to kind of maintain it, right? I mean, it takes a lot of skill to do that.
Definitely, and guys in the chat, I think we really underestimate how much emotional pressure it takes, not just to be on the leaderboard, but to hold that pro account. You're swimming in those profits, and you're battling inside. Like, what should we do? Do I want to put on more trades or not? And I can absolutely feel that. Not that I was in the same situation like Terry or Pine, but I can imagine like that takes a lot of emotional strength to go through that period of time. And so it takes a lot of skill, guys, just to hold the account.
Yeah, I think, every time we experience things with trading, whether it's good or bad, it grows us as a trader. And some of the growth hurts, and some of it is like so exciting, and you just want to jump up and go tell your mom about it and the world about it. But yeah, I think it's like each day we show up and we just keep at it day in, day out.
There's two things that I would kind of add to that too. Like, number one, someone used to always tell me rules are made to be broken, right? That's one thing. And then another thing that the same person said is like, if you stop at 5K, will you ever make 10? If you stop at 10, will you ever make 15? And so I think it's kind of a fine line that you kind of gotta toe there when it comes to those things, as far as following rules, walking away when you're green, walking away when you're red. Those things kind of go both ways, right? So it just depends on your goals and what you're really trying to accomplish. So
what you're working on with your own game. Yeah, it's really the game within ourselves. Like, everyone is on your own unique journey, and it is like that game within yourself, like every single day. The market's there, and then we're over here. Yeah.
Perfectly said there. Yeah, it's a game within ourselves. Yeah.
Speaking of games, do you guys want to do a roundtable?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, wow. Look at these topics. We love it.
Are you ready?
I'm going to short ES. I'm just going to keep a stop at 615. Look for that data low at 93.75.
Yeah, I like it. If we hold below 11 there, I think that you're in great shape. So.
Okay. Are you... Wait, I think Pine is getting ready.
No, I'm good. We're good.
In on the chart.
I got the bracket set. We're good.
Okay, let's go. So the theme is the developing trader. So free resources or paid course, which is better? Pine.
Free resources or paid course. Well, I'm gonna say free resources. I really think that all the information's already out there. Personally, it's just you gotta dig deep and try to find. Now the trouble is that when you are trying to find someone that you can trust and believe, that's the tricky part. So but I really think that most of the information is out there. Now, if you are paying for a course and you find that it's helping you, and you then who am I to say like how you spend your money, But am I going to go out and try to spend like $5,000 on a course? No, I'm not. Am I going to spend? Is it worth spending $100 to someone that's that you trust on a course? $100 at the price of an eval? I guess maybe. So, a little political answer there, but yeah, that's what I think.
Pine says no, unless it's a value trade, unless it's on sale. Tom, what are your thoughts? Free resources, or is it worth it to pay for a course?
Well, I'm going to keep it simple, as we're talking about an upcoming or fairly new trader. So I would say, if that's the theme, that I would say go with the free resources. It's simple because you're starting out as a trader. You got to learn the absolute basics. So just like as simple as like candlestick patterns, basic market analysis and chart analysis. All those things are out there. The internet is flooded with lots of really good free resources there. So no need for, at that point, and that would be a political answer as well, but at that point there is no need to pay for any course. You will find everything for free, so go with the free resources, guys, if you're starting out. Definitely.
Tom says free. What do you think, Myth?
Well, let's just call a spade a spade. If you're lazy and you want everything handed to you, you don't want to research, you don't want to, go down the rabbit holes and take the time, then then you can pay for a course. But if you have the the drive that you're going to need to be successful trading anyway, like Pine and Tom said, everything's out there for free. But if you're lazy and you just want everything handed to you, hey, this, pay for the course. There's nothing wrong with that. If you find value in it, then that's fine. Me personally, I don't like courses. I think that they're not going to teach you anything other than the basics, right? That gets back down to kind of talking about strategies and how they don't translate from one person to another in the same way as well. So, but yeah, I would never pay for a course. But if you're lazy, go for it.
Thank you, Myth. I would say it's efficient. If you want to be efficient, you're not lazy. You just want to be efficient.
Lazy.
I guess it would be the perfect time to share that I'm selling a course now, guys. No, I'm just joking.
Okay. Let's do the next one.
Let's
so
go.
You're learning to trade. Do you tell everyone or do you keep it private? Myth.
I tell no one. I'm a very private person, introverted. I know that didn't seem that way on the stream, but it is 100% true. I'm very private when it comes to my to what I'm doing in anything in my life. So yeah, I keep it very private. I don't tell anybody. Your greatest, a lot of times, family members, friends are your kind of what's the word I'm thinking here? They're the most negative people sometimes. So when it comes to, oh, you can't do that. 90% of people fail. What are you thinking? That kind of thing. So maybe your friends and family are supportive when it comes to everything, but mine are not. So I just keep it private.
Myth says keep it private. Tom, what do you think?
Yeah, I agree. If I have to choose, I choose keep it private. So there was a time that I tried to persuade family and friends around me that what I'm doing, because like everybody's kind of asking like, hey Tom, what is it that you're doing exactly? And so I tried a few runs there, like tried to explain, and it was like I was trying to explain quantum science or something. Like everyone's just watching like, what the hell are you talking about? But the thing is, ever since then, I got asked like, hey Tom, how you doing with the job? Tell me something about it. I don't even want to share any information about it. No, really nothing. I just tell people like I'm working on a computer day by day, and that's it, because it just makes it easier and simpler for me. So I'm not really telling anyone. I'm not sharing anyone, especially as far as you guys see me sharing some payouts and results here on social media. I'm not sharing almost any results in my family circle or friend circle. Nothing. Nobody knows what I'm exactly doing. So that's why I'm not telling everyone. Keep it private.
Keep it private. Pine,
Yeah.
Tell everyone or keep it private?
Well, it took me a long time to tell everyone, I tell you that. When I first started, I did have, my brother got me started into futures trading, and my younger brother, I was trying to trade stocks and things like that, and trying to day trade with the stocks, and I just couldn't figure out this proper sizing, how much to risk. I was trying to trade like Tesla or whatever, and it just wasn't working out. And then he introduced me into futures. So I guess close family, I ended up telling. But as far as like everyone else, people would ask me like, well, what are you doing? What are you doing? And I'd just say, well, I'm just living off my investments or something like that. I wouldn't say like I'm a day. And then as soon as I tell them that I'm a day trader, they'll be like, well, yeah, well, how's Apple doing? How, like Apple stock? Like,
Right.
It's like, and then trying to explain like, no, I trade futures. And then they're like, oh, what's that? And I'm like, like the big NASDAQ, like, it's like, it's just, it got too difficult. So I'm pretty private about it, but if someone asks, I tell them now.
Thank you. Oh, it looks like time's up. I told
yeah.
everyone when I first started. I literally told everyone. I was like, "Hi, my name's Terry. I'm trading. Good to meet you."
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't recommend
That's the beauty of it. That's good. And by the way, I do need to say something like Mr. Delusional had a really good comment in the chat. I do love it. Keep it private. Sometimes telling people creates subconscious pressure. I 100% agree with that. I think the more you talk about it to your close friends and family, the more questions you might even gonna get after that. Like, okay, you made 700 on the Rapid account or whatever. Oh, how you did yesterday? What happened last week? Whatever. It's gonna put you in a little bit of extra pressure. But yeah, sorry, just saying it was a good comment. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good point. Okay, let's do the next one. One strategy or many strategies. So this is for the developing trader, the new trader. Pick just one strategy and really master that, or try multiple strategies because you're brand new, so you don't know what might fit you well. What do you think, Pine?
Well, real quick, I did get stopped out on ES, by the way. And I think for me, I like many strategies. Until I started to settle into like kind of like a one little base, but I mean, I'll trade like bull flags, bear flags, just overall like that price action, what's going on in the charts. And then, you know, the inside and outside bars, combos, things like that kind of, it's just like what I always say, it's got like a foundation. And then what you do on top of it is, you know, kind of where the real work starts, right? It's like, well, how much am I going to risk on the account? Like, how much am I looking to take profit? All that good stuff. So to get me in the trade, I got a few different tools in the tool bag. And when I very first started, it was I studied market profile TPO charts for like 6 months. And then I couldn't figure out how to trade off it. So it was kind of a waste of time. And then I just kind of simplified it and dropped down to the 5-minute chart and just started staring at the 5-minute chart.
Thanks, Pine.
I like it.
So you think many strategies?
Yep.
Yes. Myth, what do you think for the beginner trader?
Yeah, if it's a beginner trader, then I think mastering one strategy makes the most sense. Just keep it simple, right? Figure out one strategy and then go from there. But I agree with Pine Tree as far as like, that's kind of what I do now is like, if it's 11:30 to 12:30, I'm trading a different strategy. I might use EMAs on a trend day. You know, on the funded accounts, I'm definitely trying to use like just one simple strategy. But overall, like if you're trading different times of the day, I feel like certain strategies don't work as well. You know, in chop, you need a strategy for chop and things like that. But a newbie is not going to have the ability to recognize chop, not going to be able to recognize a trend day. It takes chart time to get the feel for those things. So if you're even newbie, if you're just starting out, a beginner, then find a strategy, master that one strategy, stick to it.
Okay, Myth says stick to one, learn one, and that's it. And then go from there. Tom, what do you think?
I like that magic word, what Myth said, chart time. So, by the way, I would say one strategy for a beginner trader, one strategy, because even with that one strategy, that should be enough for a new trader to feel the pain and also the joy as well. And as time goes on, chart time is going to be more chart time, more experience. Along the journey, that beginner trader will develop those skills to handle those different types of markets. But focusing on one strategy is going to keep things intact. You know, I think it's much better. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
I say try them all.
Try them all. Terry always comes out last, and she's like simplifies it, like try them all.
Okay, paper trading or micro contracts. Okay, so this is if you're a newbie, developing trader, brand new, do you first just start on paper trading and stay on paper trading until you finally are consistent for a long time? Or do you just like jump right in and purchase a MyFundedFutures account using code YouTube to get the best discounts and just start out with one micro and to make it feel real, right? So Tom, kick us off. Which one is better?
So we're talking about a beginner trader still. So if you're a beginner, as much as I'd like to say micro contracts, on a brand new eval, go with paper trading if you're a beginner, because your first job and your first task is to get familiar with the entries and your trading model that you would like to, know better and with the market. So, but don't do it for too long, I'd say. So don't waste too much time on paper trading, but start there, okay? Go with for a month or two, but then put some skin in there. But yeah, if I have to choose beginner trader, go with paper trading at first, okay? That's it.
Paper trading at first. Pine, what do you think?
I'd like to disagree with Tom, but I'm not going to. I actually agree with Tom. The most important thing is to learn your platform. Get familiar with it. You don't want to be going in there and fat fingering trades because you don't know how to run TraderVate or something like that. So trade on the paper account, and I 100% agree. Don't do it for too long. You have to get skin in the game. You have to put money on the table to feel those emotions. I know it sounds like, well, I'm just going to, because how many times have you traded a paper account where you literally don't care and then you're up like $100,000 on a paper account?
Oh, I know. It's so much easier.
Yeah, it's not going to work when you start trading a live capital or, because you're going to be full of emotions. So you have to get those emotions. And the only way to do that is put real money on the table. So.
All right. Put real money on the table after you start and learn the keys and the buttons.
You're right.
Yeah, so I would say it comes down to personality, right? If my personality is I have to have something at risk for me to take it seriously and learn, then I don't see anything wrong with purchasing an eval. I think you should start on paper, but if you're not going to take it seriously, if you're not going to trade it the way you're going to trade real money, then it's not going to help you, right? So from that perspective, I think it's okay to buy an evaluation. Go with the cheapest one you can find, just to put some money on the table, just to kind of put a little risk on the table there. If that's your personality, if you're someone who needs kind of that, the feeling of that there's risk there. So otherwise, start on paper. There's no reason to spend money if you don't have to. But if you're someone who's not going to if you're going to trade, kind of like what Pine Tree said, I'm a sim millionaire. I'm up $1 million in my sim account. Well, that's not how you're going to trade in real life. So you want to get the chart time, you want to get the experience that's most valuable to you, and sometimes doing that on the eval is the right way to do it. So really just depends on your personality.
Yeah, because for some people, it doesn't feel real at all to trade in the paper.
Okay.
All right, great job, guys.
And real quick on that, just to touch on that now, with look at the builder accounts, $50. When I started back in my day, I sound like an old man, but back in my day, it was like $400 for an eval.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's $50 now, so it's
Yeah.
It is amazing, exactly. And for a paper account, it's an eval, so it's different. It's very inexpensive.
Oh yeah, I also need to add the same way like Pine said. So if you're a beginner, get familiar with the platform, but otherwise I completely agree. You need to put some skin in the game, okay? You just need to, because it's not going to be the same on a paper account, all right? It's inevitable to, as soon as possible, put some skin in the game. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, let's do the final one. So do you share your journey publicly on social media and hopefully make new friends? Or do you keep it completely private and you don't make any social media? You don't share your P&Ls, you don't share your struggles on social media. Which one is better? Tom, kick us off.
Well, I don't have friends, only myth, so I usually don't share that. The thing is, share or stay private. Well, obviously, we are all in a way on social media, and there are some things, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, there are some things that I don't really share, and I don't really think I want to share all the time. I feel like I wish if there would be a middle way to this topic. I obviously gonna lean to share the journey because that's what started me on social media, by the way. And if you guys are not in social media, that doesn't matter. If you can share your journey with friends, with someone, with the community, by the way. And now let's just go to that position because like in that aspect, because we're talking about an upcoming trader. If you're upcoming trader, it's mandatory to share your experience, your journey with the community. MyFundedTV is amazing. We have amazing traders, amazing people here. Share your losses, your wins, everything is going to help you a lot. Okay. So let's divide this social media thing a little bit there. Have someone, a trading buddy, who you can share your journey with. So yeah, it's good. It helps with the psychology. Yes. Share.
Okay. Tom says, yes, share. Myth, what do you think?
Yeah, I think it's probably good to have a trading buddy. You can also share with people who are also doing the same thing as you. That what that does is it kind of gives you feedback, right? Okay, did I make the right decision here? That sort of thing, you know, and maybe give you some information in terms of like walking away. Like I have people sometimes ask me like, hey, Myth, I'm up $1,000. Would you walk away? You know, like that kind of thing. So if you have the ability to share with people what's going on in your trading journey, I think you should do it. I don't think there's anything negative that can really come from that. So especially if it's someone that you trust in terms of their trading and things like that. So yeah, I think it's good to share.
Myth says, yes, share. I did see someone comment in our chat saying, share anonymously. That's an idea. Pine, what do you think?
I only share wins. So so I stay private unless I'm winning. And if I'm losing, then I just stay silent. Honestly, it's fun to share a journey. I mean, it's easiest for us to say because we're public and we're putting our stuff out there. So yeah, I mean I share the goods and the bads and whatever else. And having a trading buddy, it's a really nice thing to have if you listen to your trading buddy. So my trading buddy sometimes will tell me to stop trading and I just go and then I don't listen. So you got to listen to your trading buddy. They probably are seeing things from the outside looking in, so it is important. So
okay, everyone says share.
Sharing is good.
That was fun.
Yeah, nice job.
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. Should anything happening in the market? Anyone taking any trades or anything?
I jumped into a small long position with 2 micros only on an order block. I'm kind of getting stopped out almost. I thought that we're gonna recover higher back above the VWAP. It's not moving, unfortunately, but it's fine because this account is in a nice profit. But whatever, I'm just gonna look for the next one, right? My stop is 822.75, so I'm gonna get stopped out here. It seems like it for now.
No, do something. Do something.
No, it's fine. It's fine. This account is back to profit, so I'm still gonna be okay.
No, I meant call our market maker.
Yeah, I'm gonna call them for sure. Trust me.
Oh, it sounded to me like she said move the stop, DCA, something like that.
Yeah, right?
No.
That's what we do after the stream.
Yeah.
So the funny
the funny thing is ES came down and did not come close to filling that. By the way, I'm never trading ES again. I hate it. But it never came down and tested that 830 candle, the low. I actually took a short on that little harami on the 2-minute. I currently got this rapid account, this new funded one, up to 999 that I just activated. Now it's getting that pressure where you're like almost over that buffer and like trying to push it over with that intraday trailing. And so the little trick with the intraday trailing is just kind of just scalp and get out. Just looking for that 10, 15 points, whatever it is, 5 points. You can't really let those trades go back against you. So I ended up taking a little scalp. You can see right here. Yeah, I just took a little scalp off that harami just for a little scalp. And obviously now it's rolling over. I probably could have got a daily payout if I would just held it, but it's very, very tricky with the intraday to just take that money and run, and then look for the next trade. You will trade a lot more usually, but it is. And then once you're over the buffer, then you can kind of breathe and relax a little bit, and then look for a little bit longer trades or a little bigger swings or something like that. But
okay,
looks good.
No more ES for Pine.
Oh no, I was so
Ever.
aggravated. It just completely went against me. As soon as I hopped in short, it just completely went against me. I'm like, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing with ES. It's tricky. Because most of my stuff, like we were touching upon it earlier about the strategies, and I saw someone in the chat saying that, like, you can have that strategy and have some sort of system, but really for me, it's always just came down to screen time and staring at the charts. And I just got a lot of experience looking at NQ, the NASDAQ, and just kind of staring at it and then looking and reacting to what it's doing. Some people would call it almost tape reading in a way, but I'm
going to tell you a secret, Pine Tree, that I've never told anyone before. I never short the ES.
Never short ES, no.
Never?
Never
did that.
Longs only on ES. I don't know why that is. Don't ask me.
Is this true? Really?
This is 100%.
Ever? Oh
yeah,
my gosh.
only longs on the ES. Yes, never.
Wow.
Never. Because 80% of shorts on the ES trap, right? They go down and they kind of trap and pop back up. So it's much higher probability long term, just a long, right? I mean, there's nothing wrong with that.
Kind of like gold. Gold always is trapping.
Yeah, I never short gold. Thank you for bringing that up. I never short gold.
Wow. Okay.
Never seen
What
me
about
short
the
gold.
NASDAQ? Should we just only go long?
No, I'll short NASDAQ. It's so volatile that that it's a little different.
Yeah,
It's different.
Yeah,
It traps the longs too.
Yeah, it's so volatile that you can get away with the shorts. It's fine.
So we have.
Oh, go ahead. No, I was just going to say, in terms of like overall, think about it. Well, 3 or 4 years ago, we were at 12,000. Now we're at 30,000. I mean, wow. Long term, I mean, it just makes more sense to long, right?
Yeah, like Warren Buffett says.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, go long America. we have a special treat. I'm so excited.
Me too.
Our producers have picked out some messages that you guys left for us live, so we'll play it soon.
Let's go. Let's go. I love that. You want to play it?
We're going to play it.
We want to hear it.
I'm waiting.
My question is for of you, how you manage the risk in Rapid account specifically, because there is a trailing asset, and how you manage risk in SimFunded. Please definitely give me answer, because it's helped me a lot of, me and everyone. So please.
Great question. Thank you so much. So the question is, how do you manage risk in SimFunded Rapid specifically? Pine, thoughts on that?
I like to, I have a static stop. I place a stop, but then I try to trail it. So I try really, especially on the Rapid, like I was saying before, I really try not to let that come back against me. So if it moves my direction right off the rip, then I'm just going to trail my stop and just keep it real tight, because especially with a 25K, and where I trade on momentum and look for the momentum, oftentimes it doesn't go against me. So I look for those momentum trades and just go with it, but then just trail my stop as fast as possible.
Okay, thank you. Tom, do you have some tips for SimFunded and Rapids?
Yeah, so the Rapid, I get this question, by the way, quite a few times as well. So just like Pine said, trail your stop, trail your position. That's actually a good idea. Obviously, you got to trade a little bit smaller until you reach that buffer, okay? So try to size down the position as much as possible. Trail your position, and don't try to go for a 1-to-5 risk to reward ratio or like huge home runs. Okay, so if you can, I like to go with the 50K accounts and if I can make $200 or $300, or if I can secure with the trail at least $200 or $300, I'll try to do that. So base hits, 1-to-1 R, if I can get it. That's how I would do it. And it might gonna take a few days, yes, but it's it will happen. It's a little bit slower, but it will happen. Go for base hits and trail.
Base hits and trail.
Yeah.
Thank you. We have another one from Dino.
Terry, Tom, Myth, and Pine. I just want all of you guys to discuss how to pass MyFundedFutures rapid funded accounts intraday drawdown. Thank you.
Thank you. I think that's the one that we just did.
Yeah, we answered that question, but yeah, same answer. Trail it, small position, base hits.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see the money, you take it and you run.
Yeah. And run
Real
away
quick.
as far as possible.
Well, I could just add to that, have a static take profit, right? Just go for the 1-to-1 trade, kind of like Tom says. 20-point take profit with a 20-point stop loss. If you keep it static on your take profit and your stop loss, the intraday trailing really is a non-issue.
Yeah. Okay. We have one more, I think.
Hey, my
NQ
human
taking
friends.
out the low.
This
Oh, it
is
looked like it's going to take out the low.
Ooh.
Okay.
Are you guys selling the low?
I'm just kind of watching as the AGLO at 745 is going to get taken out here. I'm not in the trade, but I do have some FOMO.
Yeah, me too. I'm having some FOMO too. It's like, should have held that short, but that's all right.
Yeah.
I see it went up and tested VWAP and rejected it. Will it break this low?
I did take the short there. I'm not in it now, but I took it for $500 on the account that I was down $400 on. So, we took a second trade on it. We weren't supposed to. Goes back to breaking the rules there, but.
Well, you can break the rules here.
Do you find yourself with the systematic trade, Smith, you have the pre-orb. Now, Terry always says it's not that you take the trade, but do you do all the other shit outside of it or do you just take that pre-orb on certain accounts?
Yeah, I have to just try to take it. I think we got a couple of more questions here. Let's roll with it.
Yes, let's do it.
Hey, my human friends. This is Dino. I want to ask you, all the humans out there, that why you make trading so difficult. It's so easy, just buy or sell. Why to put EMA, VWAP or something else? Just buy it or sell it from the major key levels with small contracts. Bye bye.
Let's go. Dino breaking it down, guys.
Hey!
Straightforward.
Yes.
Breaking it down.
Make it easy. Why are you guys making this hard on yourself? Size small. That's what
I'm
I
actually
heard.
making it super easy, guys. I'm just pulling my lines there and just if the market goes, I'm jumping in. That's it. That's how easy it is.
Lots of screen
awesome.
time. Lots of screen time.
Yeah.
Thank you everyone for calling in. That was really fun. We'll do it again for sure.
It's happening, guys.
It's happening. Let's do the race. You guys ready?
We're ready. We're ready.
Good luck, everyone.
Top 15, guys. Top 15.
What? Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Look, Tom's right in front right there. That kettle, that's the same face Tom makes.
And the other, okay, I do see Myth right there at the bottom there.
The one with the big arms? The big arms.
Yeah,
that's
the one
Myth.
with the big arms, that's Myth. Yeah, I like that.
Dino.
Sprinting out front. Let's go.
Look at the shark right there.
Yeah, I'm rooting for the shark. Oh, look at the little teacup.
Oh my gosh, what is happening here?
I wonder how they got the car on the body there.
The orange. Miracle.
This is actually, I don't know what you guys think, but I think it's funnier than the duck race because I'm seeing all these figures. It's so cool.
A zebra.
My guy was out front for just a minute. He tried. Whoa, tire to the front. He's a cheater. He's got a round object. He's gonna go faster.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I
Look at
see. Is this a horse?
Look at that.
Is someone in a banana?
And yeah,
A dolphin
there's
and a
dolphin
banana?
oh my gosh. How is this
right,
even
I'm
possible?
Not sure how that works.
Oh, congratulations.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Nice job. Nice job.
Let's go.
Top 15, you
15.
guys.
Top 15. Oh my gosh. That's so cool.
Congratulations. Top 15
Top
wins.
15. We love
You
it.
win
Country,
a free account.
is that Shrek?
I think so. Yeah. Well, I figured I'd get on the brain rot. So I feel like I have brain rot. Right.
Congratulations, everybody that won a
Congratulations.
free account. Let's go.
Let's
Guys,
go.
The market dropped an extra 100 points
Wow.
from 750 there. Like, what the heck was going on? We got to check the headlines.
Yeah.
How
I feel
is
like
ES?
Yeah,
ES
ES
is
is
sitting
still-
at 7604. Still is not taking that data.
Oof.
it's so tempting to hop in, but I'm not going to with ES.
It is tempting. Yeah.
I don't know. It's just you just get that feeling like it's just gonna take out that data low. But
Pine Tree, just wait for 7570 zone to get taken and then long. Let's go.
only longs.
That's all you got to do.
Yeah.
Just wait. Trust
Just
me.
wait. You gotta wait. But on NQ, we do have a low. There's that bullish pin bar on the hourly chart, and that has a low at 567. You know, I did do some research and some back testing almost every month. I'm kind of looking back on the hourly chart and the 15-minute, and 75% of the time, at least, these bullish pin bars or bearish pin bars are getting repriced in a couple of days. So that happened actually yesterday. That was a 10 a.m. Hourly candle. I kind of feel like we could be dropping all the way down there, so definitely below the 600s. Anyway, it's kind of interesting.
If you look to the left, we have a lot of liquidity left from yesterday, all the way down to 544, which is a key swing. That's the London low from 2 days ago. I think that's where we're heading. We just need a candle closure below 635. And
I agree.
Pretty fast run lower, in my opinion, at that point. So
I agree, 100%. 100%.
Pine, do you have any analysis on the market so far?
I like that it's the market's moving now. But I don't know if that Warsh is still speaking, which is why, we might seen an uptick of the volatility. But yeah, no real analysis. You guys are just gonna look for some sort of setup on the 2-minute chart and see if I can scalp my way to a daily payout. I gotta try to keep up with Tom. I mean, Tom's being Tom's goated right now. So
no, Pine is keeping the record here, guys. So I'm trying to keep up with you, Pine. So yeah, it's a lot of pressure.
Tom already lost the daily payout. He's just not saying it.
I'm not saying it yet. No, I still have it. I still have it yet. I don't know what's gonna happen until tomorrow.
I just want to get
really
over the
fun.
buffer. I just want to get over the buffer and especially that intraday trailing. I love just getting over the buffer and then trying to build it from there.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
Last minute thoughts before we head out for the day. We have about 2 minutes left. Myth, kick us off.
Hey, listen, if you're a beginner trader, one thing that I'm going to say about it is just don't give up. Put in the screen time, put in the hours, watch streams, obviously MyFundedFutures every single day. You're going to get valuable information. The most important thing when it comes to trading has nothing to do with strategy, really not risk management either. It's screen time, learning the patterns, the repeatable patterns in the market and what it does every single day. Listen, you're gifted futures, right? Only having to look at one chart and not having to go find a stock to trade, that's a gift, that's a blessing. So let's take that blessing and just make the most of it.
Thank you, Myth. Pine?
I just want to say thank you to all you guys. I love doing this roundtable. I think it's fun. I mean, the time goes by so fast, and I like talking to other traders, like-minded people, and the subjects are good. So it's nice and fun to debate it.
Thank you, Pine. Tom, last minute thoughts before we head out for the day.
Yeah, just want to say the same thing what Myth said. If you're a beginning trader, chart time is the magic word. So we are absolutely in the best time to trade, the best environment here at MyFundedFutures. You get everything, and chart time. Obviously, don't spend all your day there, but trust me, results going to happen as chart time goes. It's gonna take time, okay? Accept that, and it's gonna be fine. So it's an amazing time to be here on the roundtable. So I had fun. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you, Tom. Thank you, Pine. Thank you, Myth. Thank you, viewers. This was really fun. Thanks for calling in. We will be back tomorrow morning. Please welcome Ike and Corey, the phone trader. Bye, guys.
Bye, everybody.
There you go. I was on mute. My bad.
I was like, man, I can't hear nothing. A doodle doo.
Oh, dude. Oh, you got the goggles on today? Look
hey,
out.
man, we swimming, boy. You see the green behind me, boy.
Oh, I see it.
Scuba diving, man.
Swimming in green.
Yeah, man.
Nice. How's your day going so far? How's your day going?
It's going pretty good, man. I had to get an early start, man. I was like, man, I really want to save these accounts with brother, but man, I can't miss these opportunities, brother. We good right now, man.
Nice. Yeah, I haven't traded any of these accounts yet today, so I was waiting to do it together. So right now what I'm planning on trading is I got a 25K funded rapid account over here. Okay. And want to build it up here, doing the same kind of support resistance ICT like we always do about this time,
Man, I'm looking to join you today. Now, Monday, we had a problem, man. DeMarcus was tripping, man. Barely top ticking me, bottom ticking me, everything. We going to be green today.
All right. How's it been going so far? You caught a few good trades here? I mean, I see the market has been moving. We're going down like 400 points, 350 since, since the morning here, since 8 a.m. We've just been, in a free fall here,
So now the fun begins with you, brother, man. Trading with you, man. So I got a 25K rapid eval that I passed. We got that funded, and then I had to try this Bob the Builder. Yes, we can. This brand new 25K Bob the Builder. We got to try it, man.
All right. So yeah, I'm just doing my regular markup, off that 30-minute. Just looking for kind of support resistance, places where price reacted in any way, and where I'm seeing a lot of closures or wick rejections, and waiting for a couple closures and waiting on a little ICT. I don't know, do you check Forex Factory in the morning? I always make sure to check it. You see on my screen to see the red folder news to know where to stay away, So, I saw at 10 o'clock, we had this Fed chairman talking, and apparently right after that happened, we've just been tanking ever since, right? So
I've been trying to catch bounces, man, but man, the way this market going, I might have to ride with the sales, man.
I mean, it's looking, no doubt about it, it's looking bearish. So I'm going to draw up a little bit of like rejection areas that I see and see if I could find a part where we're rejecting, but it's been a while since since price has been down here, so okay. Let's see what we can do. What's up, chat? Hope everyone's doing great out there and having a great day trading so far. So yeah, hit us up with any questions or ideas or what you guys are into. Love to know what trades you guys are getting into and for what reasons,
Hey, man, everybody hit the like button too, man. Y'all go smash that like button, man, for the early segment this morning with my sis Terry, my brother Tom, brother Pine, brother Methodical Man, and then my brother from another mother right now. The man, the myth, the legend, the negative all man, Forex hype, man. Y'all hit that like button, man.
That's it. We out here.
So, let's go, man.
Let's go. So I'm looking for a couple closures here. Oftentimes, like, I don't like jumping into a trade right when I get to the screen, because oftentimes if you see your setup right away, is that really your setup, or are you just finding what you're looking for, right? So if I'm like, I open up the chart, I'm like, this is right here, this is a short, I'm like, take a
That
minute.
is definitely
you know?
true. Yeah,
You know?
you got a point. Yeah, man.
I gotta pause myself because it's just like, even if I'm right, you know, even if it is something that's gonna be going down there, it's like it's not a good habit that you happen to always find a trade in a minute. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, so, you know what I mean?
I got
So
you,
that's it.
man. Man, we just chilling, man.
So let me see, you know, I'm gonna I'll be doing both here. I'm gonna be doing the support and resistance. What do you got marked up? Let me look at your screen over there too.
So on this 30-minute time frame, man, right now we keep respecting the top of this 30-minute liquidity zone, man. I like to take trades off these, man. You see these green shaded boxes right here?
Yep.
I could have grabbed the trade off this, but like you said, man, I'm hesitant. As soon as I get in, I don't want to just get straight in, man. I want to analyze. I want to, you know what I'm saying? See what's going on first.
You know, let the idea marinate for a minute.
Yeah, man. Put that seasoning on there, man.
Exactly. And since this is a 25K that I'm doing right now, I'm doing micros. So what I like to do until I get a little bit more of a buffer, like I want to have at least like 1,500 in drawdown, and you know, with the 25Ks you have 1,000. So normally I'm hitting my ICTs going for a quick 4 points on one mini, which is $80. But what I'm gonna do, since I got half the drawdown, I'm gonna do half the risk for half the reward. So I'm gonna be doing 5 micros for $40 instead, you know, and try to build it up like that. You know, 10 of those, that's $400, man. That's good for me. I'll take that all day, you know.
I told you, man, I gotta give you your props, man, your flowers. I took a page out of your book yesterday on my stream. I said, man, here we go. Let me try the negative RR, man. And that joker worked. I said,
interesting.
My brother is on to something.
Listen, that's always how it goes. Like, you know, after our stream together on Monday, and then I do another stream in the afternoon where I did some more XCT on that same account and did another like 7 W's in a row. So after that, I got a lot of people messaging about that. Yeah, they were asking, and I tell them all, I'm like, look, I know it seems weird. I know it feels weird. It doesn't feel right. I know. I get what what you're saying. You wanna. Not you. I mean, like, people want to know how to figure out the market, right? Like, that's what they want to do, and they feel like this isn't really figuring it out. This is like, you figure out a little edge where you can scalp a couple bucks, but they're not like figuring out the market. But it's like, listen, you want an account that you want to figure out the market? Go take an account and see how good you do on that one figuring out the market. Then take another account and do your ICT scalps, and all of a sudden you'll be like, huh, I seem to be getting payouts from my ICT scalps. And my figuring out the market, you know, I hit a couple bangers, but I also hit a couple losers. You know, it's like, you know, after a while, you're like, I do want to figure out the market, but instead of figuring out the market, I'd rather just get payouts all the time. You know what I mean? Like, I'm here for the money. Give me those payouts, you know? So
I want my money and I want it now.
Exactly.
Give me my money.
1 port 877 cash now.
Cash now. 87 Kevin.
Man,
I do remember
that brings me back. People yelling out the windows in that commercial.
Yeah, man.
Look at price just melting, man. See,
it
is just melting here.
So I'm gonna tell you what, brother.
I see you got a buy limit over there.
Man,
I like it.
I gotta get in, man, because we are at the bottom of this 30-minute liquidity zone, and all this rejection right here. Every time it come down here, it bounce. So I'm looking for a quick scalp, man. I'm gonna try to get in and out real quick.
And your limit order is at 668, is it? 568.
Yeah, 568.25.
So you're sitting there, you're like a sniper waiting on it.
I'm waiting, man. Get over here.
Exactly. You know, I might try to do a little ICT scalp here for a quick little dealy.
Oh, I see you. Let me switch screens. I see you, brother.
Let's see it. It might be too aggressive with this big type of push. We'll see.
Get over here. Give it to him.
Gotcha.
Go up. Yes, sir.
Got him. So that's one. That's one ICT. So
let's go.
Today I'm doing it with the, like I said, with micros, just because this is a, you know, I don't want to get credit. You know, part of ICT is you got to let that drawdown. You got to let that drawdown run. Like if price goes against you, you got, that's part of the game, right? Like there's no perfect strategy where you can have zero drawdown, high win rate, frequent trades, right? You can't, like that doesn't exist, right? So
that's facts.
So you know, there's nothing perfect, but for me, this is as close as I can get to perfect, you know?
That's what's up, man. Good dub, brother. Good dub,
so
man.
This is the I'm sharing now my the Tradeovate screen. Oh, let me move the accounts over so everyone can see them. So I've got my fundeds right over here. I got a couple of evals that are just sitting for like, because after let's say I want to keep trading for whatever reason on the day.
Yeah.
If I'm already made my money on my fundeds and I want to still trade, I'm jumping on an eval because like, why not? Like that could cost me $70. It's even cheaper now. I think code YouTube, they got the 25K accounts now, code YouTube and MyFundedFutures. Like, so it's like, if you feel like you want to keep trading, you made your money for the day, but you want to keep it going, don't risk the money you already made. Go get an eval for $50. Worst case scenario, you lose $50. Best case scenario, you got another funded account, right? So like people got to preserve their profits. Stop trying to hit those home runs, those big take home things. Just consistent funded accounts, payouts will set everyone free. You know what I mean?
You got a good point, brother, man. Them base hits, take that little small mignon.
Exactly. That's it. So yeah, man, I like listening to that morning show, that roundtable. It's just fun to hear like profitable traders who all trade differently and their like opinions and thoughts on the market, and like everyone gets it that we're all different on how we trade and how we see the market, but like it's really the same. Like your rejection zone, I've got yellowed out too, like as a rejection pop. You know what I'm saying? Like we both see the same stuff. We just are, you know, calling it something different or whatever. But you know, it's the same trades that we're all taking. You know,
everybody got their own way of trading, but you know what I'm saying? We all making money. That I find that amazing, man. Like you see something different, I see something different, and we still making money. That is so amazing.
And that's the thing with trading, which it takes a while to figure out. Trading's not a science, right? Like a science, it's 2 + 2 always equals 4, right? And like if you're like a doctor doing a certain type of you know, profession, that's the way to do it. There's not like 3 days doctors that are gonna do you know, the way you do a heart surgery differently. Like they know the perfect way to do it because it's science. The market is not science, right? It's like we're swimming in the ocean. You can't really predict the waves, which way they're gonna be coming, but you can predict how you're going to react to those waves, and that's what we do. Let's see, we're getting close to your
almost. Here we go.
Down there. We're moving down there.
All right, we tapped in.
There we go. Let's go. Nice push up over here. It's a perfect rejection zone on my screen too. You know, like right in the yellow.
So I'm taking this on my builder account. Let's see.
Yeah, this is where I have my support right here at like 55-ish area. It's like we don't want to close them below that. So yeah, nice little push up to the top of the range, 616 area. That would be lovely. That would be lovely.
Here we go. Let's go swimming. Come on, man. Come on, market. Let's go swimming.
Let's go. Come on. Push it. Send it higher.
Well. What you gonna do, market? Come on, man.
You know, and market, if you're gonna go down, just go all the way down. Don't you dare bottom tick and then flip up. Don't you dare. We're not here for that today. We are not here for that.
If you're gonna shoot down, shoot down. If you're gonna pop, snap, crackle, pop.
Let's see. And right now, I'm just waiting for like a candle closure. Really,
yeah, I got you.
You know. But this is a rejection zone. I got marked up. Like every time price bounced in here, it shot up, you know, every time. So,
go ahead. My bad.
No, I was going to say for me, the way I anticipate prices, what did price do last time it was here, right? Last time it was here, it did that. Hey, do you have the eyes cut out in your goggles?
No, man.
I saw a little lighter. I was like, what? He cut them out in there?
No, man. I funny about that. I used to do that when I was like in my 20s, man, just because it was a style. I was like, why am I doing this? That's funny, man.
Well,
no, that actually swimming goggles. Yeah, man.
Getting this push. Let's go.
We up 50. As soon as I see 100, I'm finna close.
I feel like this could pop its own wick, which is exactly where you're going for. See, it's like with same target I would have, really.
Mm-hmm.
Is this candle to flip? And really, all you need this candle to do is to flip green for a second, and you're out of this trade already. Yep. We just need this candle to flip for a second. Oh,
almost there.
Oh, I hate when that happens.
Come on. As soon as you go right above this. Come on.
Do it. There we go. Boom. Dubs.
Let's
Dubs
go.
In the house, Dubs in the house.
Me and
Love
brother
it, love
getting
it.
it. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's keep it moving. All right, this candle's going to close in a minute. And now, look, you know, here's my issue. I like this as a rejection zone to come back up, but I also like this as a wick fill down. You know, that 5-minute wick fill right here does look nice, but that rejection zone is the only thing keeping me out, you know?
I feel like it ain't over.
Right. Truth is, if price comes back down here to like the 55 area, I would be open to a buy stop on the flip of that candle pretty much. Like,
okay.
But I need price to move down a little bit more. I want it to fill the wick first. But yeah, I like this as a rejection zone until we close below 551-ish, 540, you know, around this area. Till we close below that, I like this as a rejection zone to pop up. But as soon as we close below, I'm like, all right, I guess let's go lower, you know? I'm not married to my ideas. I know I'm not smart enough, so I'll change my ideas with more information. Oh, I love that. Exactly, that's the floor I got. That's where I put a buy stop. All right, let's see this. We getting that wick fill?
I'm trying to see what you looking at also, brother.
Yeah. So we getting that wick fill. I'm open for a buy stop if this flips.
So you looking forward to? Oh, okay, gotcha.
You know, same as you, but I'm getting a worse entry, I guess you could say.
Gotcha. It's all good, man.
Oh wait, is this? Okay, I'm in a trade. Am I in this too much? I don't know. We'll see.
Let's go.
Okay, I'm hoping once it filled that wick, we can come back, keep it moving. All right, up 50, up 80.
Yep.
I missed it.
I hate that.
I know.
I hate that, man.
I tried to lock in 50. Okay, let's see.
Get up there.
All right, there we go. We locked
Let's
in.
go, baby. Locked in some profit. Let's go, man.
Let's keep it moving. All right, we got it.
Let's go. Let's go.
10 points. Quick 10 points.
Printing mutton machine. Let's go.
Okay, so
man.
one ICT. You know, that was not an ICT, so I want to just keep it.
That was nice, brother.
Yeah, I mean, dude, we both saw the same thing, but that, you know, like, what happened was I'm not my I guess because of my risk reward or whatever it is with those sniper entries, like putting that limit on the bottom. Yeah, they're amazing when they happen, but when I either miss it or if it keeps going and takes me out, and then my stop loss is not as like good as it should be, I ended up taking like more L's with the limit orders than with the stop orders. So so I get worse entries now. Like you saw, like my entry was way worse, but it ended up that in the long run, the stop orders were better than the limit orders for me, the way I traded, you know what I mean?
I got you.
So, but I think that I started with limit orders too. Like I'd put a limit order by an EMA or by a bounce. But yeah, I think I took a couple of L's in a row and I was like, you know, I'm just gonna stop doing that. I just couldn't handle it.
I gotta take it, man. So this is my setup. So I got a buy signal at the bottom of this liquidity zone, man. That is my strategy. That's my bread and butter. So I'm in another trade on the funded account, brother.
I love it. Let's go.
I'm looking to probably get maybe 100 out of this. Let's see.
Yeah, I could see this going to like 665-ish by the EMA, like where the EMA goes. As long as we close above this 616, because 616 for me is like a resistance area. Like it's got to break through this right here, which it is.
I'm looking for it to at least come tap this. I think that's probably on the 5 minute. This line right here coming up to tap this 9 EMA.
Yep.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Okay. Let's see.
It's a good buy up to that, and even a sell at that EMA is probably a nice one too. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Since we're still bearish and we got these big wicks down there, like price to come up, touch the EMA. You know, take out all these people who are in shorts and then flip short and fill these wicks, you know?
Got you. I'm going to break even, man.
Sweet. Let's go.
Come on, pop up there. I got a feeling it might stop me out and then pop.
And then pop.
Yep. I feel it coming.
See, these wicks down here, they're calling my name. These wicks down there. Like those wicks, you know, to me, wicks are like these magnets, you know, like just begging for price to come there.
All right, I'm taking $50 out of that, man, at least. 100. We at 100. Can I get some more? Go up.
Let's
up.
go.
Up.
Pop it.
All right, we out of there. I'm out.
Send it.
I'm out.
There we go.
There
we go. What were you just winning? Not financial advice, everyone. Not financial advice. Just because we keep winning does not mean we're financial advice. All right, guys?
No. Let's go, man. We both making money.
Beautiful trade. Yo, that was a beautiful trade. Beautiful hold, beautiful entry, beautiful exit. Like,
and you notice what I'm doing now. I am not waiting until he hit TP. You see what happened to me Monday, brother.
It's not worth it. It is not worth an extra $7. It is not worth it.
Man. Oh, hold up, man. We got a YouTube short winner in the chat, man. Somebody
congrats.
Congrats to somebody who won something. I see everybody saying congrats.
Yeah, I you know, those bells when they go off, I just get I freeze. They're almost like they hypnotize me. I'm like it's almost like I am under control. Like, you know, as soon as I hear that noise, I'm like, what?
Yeah, I got you.
All right, winners, congrats. And I think we're gonna do one of those races too, a little later today. What were those called? The brain rot race, right?
Yeah.
You seen those?
I
don't know. I don't know if you watch TikTok, but I watch TikTok a little too much for someone my age. But I've seen these brain rot videos, man. They're crazy. I've seen like these strawberries having affairs with like the banana. It's like a whole drama. There's music going on. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'll be watching it. I'll be like, what?
I ain't never heard of that. What the heck is that, man?
Strawberina, you really are cheating on banana berry with pomegranate, man? Like, come on,
bro. I ain't never heard of that.
This trader would have been a perfect short from that EMA, right? Went right up, touched that EMA, and flippity floppity. Wow. And now I'm like looking at this wick fill down here, kind of thinking of a little. Maybe we go a little. We do a little two minis over here, 2 micros.
Oh, I see.
Just to try it out here, just to fill like part of that wick down, you know, for a quick 20 points.
Ooh, I see what you're talking about.
If we can get in that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this to like the 1 minute chart just so it's a little bit easier to see. Oh, oops, not going up. I have a short here. And I'll put my stop like pretty much right above there.
Nice.
We'll see. I'm liking this wick fill. Probably not all. I'm not gonna hold it all the way down there, but I'll take it for a quick. You know, where all these other wicks are hanging out. Hopefully.
I'm gonna hold out right quick. I'm gonna wait. If it come down here, then I'm gonna see what it's gonna do after it come do that wick fill, like you said, man. I'm gonna wait.
I do see what you see on your side with that wick fill going up. Actually, I do see that. Yeah, let's see what we got going on here. Take an L on this one. We're gonna switch back to some ICT, you know. But we are getting close to that hourly candle too, which always scares me. So hopefully I'll be out of this trade within 3-4 minutes. I'm hoping.
8 minutes left.
Yep. Come on, let's get this push down, man. Come on.
Man, you also gonna have to tell me where you be streaming at so I can watch you, man.
Yeah.
I keep hearing you said, I'm like, you got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, my YouTube's hit or miss, like, because I'll just you know, if I get the kids asleep or whatever it is like that, I'll be like, you know what, let me go hop on, do a little stream for an hour now. So it's not, I'm not consistent on my own YouTube. Like, I'll just be hopping on random times, jump on for 45 minutes, an hour, sometimes more, sometimes less, and then, you know, so YouTube, it's good to like follow me and just keep the notification on, but it's definitely like, you know, I stream with some other places, but I'll hit you up and let you know. But yeah,
I don't care. Send it to me, man. After this, man, send me in Discord, man, so I can, you know what I'm saying, come holler, man.
So I'm seeing some rejections here, but this is really on the 1 minute. I really don't want price to like pop above here. If it does, I'm gonna just take this L and we keep it moving. But we'll see. I like how price is respecting my resistance over here. Like the candle keeps trying to reach above it and hitting the EMA and then respecting it. So I am liking that, but I don't like how we keep bouncing at this place. It's almost like I got in at a rejection area in a way. But that's on the 1 minute. You know, the 5 minute, we're looking like a wick fill. There we go. Let's keep it pushing. Keep it moving.
There we go. Wick fill.
Let's get that wick fill we've been talking about.
Ooh, yes, sir. Let's go.
Come on. Keep it pushing.
Keep going.
There we go. stops in profit. Take it.
Took it. Let's go,
Okay.
man. Money machine.
That's it, you know.
Let's
Again,
go,
not
man.
financial advice. Not financial advice, everyone.
Hey, I gotta get one of them, man.
Yeah. So, and look, I got out, and once I'm out of a trade, even if this hits TP, I don't care, man. Like, I don't care now. And when it goes again, like, happy I got out, I don't really care that either. Like, I'm out of this trade. It's got nothing to do with me. It's none of my business anymore. You know, I'm like that Kermit the Frog. Like,
yeah.
That don't concern me, right? That's none of my business, right? Like, that's me. Like,
I don't know why when you say Kermit the Frog, man, do you know that old cartoon called the Muffet Babies, man?
Oh, of course.
Man, that remind me of that frog on that show. I don't know why I thought of that, man. I'm like, man, is that the same thing?
In the chat, like Farmer Tala, you know, risking 200 for 50, and Luck Evam saying literal gambling. Look, I get what you guys are saying, right?
Yeah.
Like
talk to him, brother.
I get what you're saying. You're saying, look,
him.
if you're risking more money than you can receive, that's gambling. Look, I don't agree with that, right? I think almost all your life you're risking more than you can receive for your everyday everything, right? Like leaving the house, you're risking more than you know, you might be going to work. You could be risking by leaving the house more than what you could be getting at work, right?
Mm-hmm.
But that doesn't make it gambling. Like, just like if I bet $50 to win $20, is that not gambling? Like, how is risking money, how is putting money at risk in something you're not in control of to get more money back not gambling in any way, right? Like, I don't care if you say, well, there's a strategy, there's odds. Like, bro, go to a roulette table. They put the odds there on purpose to trick you. They're like, look, 4 reds in a row, it's got to be black now, right? Like, you're not gambling. Look here, we got odds, we got statistics. 4 out of 5 times it's red.
Talk to him, man.
It's gambling, and gambling, it's got a bad rap because of how it sounds. But when you're trading the market, it doesn't make a difference if you're the best trader in the world or the worst trader in the world. Every time you're placing a trade, you are gambling. You are risking money to win or get more money than you're putting out based on something you are not in control of.
Talk to him.
Like, if I bet on a team that wins 9 out of 10 times, is that not gambling because they win 9 out of 10 times? So it's like, no, that is still gambling. But you got to get the connotation that all gambling is bad. Like, trading is gambling. I hate to break it to you. Trading is gambling, but that doesn't mean you're a gambling addict without an idea. Like, you can be a successful gambler. Look, so I'm a gambler, but I get consistent payouts for the last 3 years. So do you want to be a great trader who never gets payouts, or do you want to be a consistent gambler who gets payouts from the market every week? Like, where do you want to be? I want to be the consistent gambler who gets payouts all the time. Okay, if someone else prefers to be a great trader and just never gets paid, but they're a trader and that's what they're after, not a gambler, who am I to tell them how to live, right?
Tell them, brother, cooking in that kitchen like Betty Crocker.
That's it, and you gotta accept yourself. You don't lie to yourself. You can lie to me, you could lie to Corey, you could lie to your mom, but don't lie to yourself. Okay, so be honest with yourself. Like, don't pretend like you're doing something different, bro. Like, the market's been around for 200 years. There's nothing different. There's nothing new. This thing that I'm doing, I guarantee you there was somebody, you know, back when they were writing with a quill, like, please put in an order to buy at 5 and sell at 6. You know, trust me, that's been happening. People have been trying to make money forever in the market. Like, it's not, you know, and this is how I do it consistently. I'm not doing this on a one-time show. Let me show you guys something crazy I just figured out. Like, this is, go to my Twitter. I've been posting the same stuff for 3 years, not 4 years, non-stop. Same stuff, same trades, payouts. Like, it's not something new. And like, I hear it all the time. The market's going to get you. The market's going to get you. The beauty about a prop firm is if you blow an account and you're profitable in your other 3-4 accounts, you're a profitable trader, bro. You can blow an account and still be profitable. Tell him, Corey.
Woo! You cooking over there, boy. He cooking, boy. Somebody wave him off, man.
That's it. I gotta smoke a bubble cigar after.
Hey, man, you know them church ladies that be in the church, man. Woo!
Woo! Woo!
Woo! Wave them off. Woo! Cooking over there, man. Let's go, brother.
So yeah, I just want to, because I get I get what people mean when they say like, oh, you're gambling, you're this and that, but it's really like, if you think about it, like from a real perspective and a money-making perspective, and the proof is on the table.
That's real talk, man.
You know, like you can't argue with payouts. Like if someone's getting consistent payouts, you can't argue. Like, right? Like if you told me that you get your payout because every morning you flip a coin, and if it lands heads, you buy, and if it lands tails, you sell, and you do that for 3 minutes, 3-minute hold, and you get payouts every week, I'm like, dude, you are doing it. Don't change a thing, right? Like you found a way to make that you're consistently making money. Like that's all it is, man. Exactly. If it's a gamble, so what? Exactly. That's what I'm trying to say. Like there's a very negative connotation around gambling, as if it's like you can only do it irresponsibly. Like there's a responsible way to do it. For instance, I threw a few $100 on England to beat Spain in the World Cup. So if England wins today and then they go to the World Cup and then England beats Spain, I'll win like 3,500 and do a giveaway on my Twitter, which I always do. When the Knicks won, I won $5 grand betting on the Knicks before the playoffs started to win it all, and then won $5 grand. Did a giveaway on my Twitter. I always do giveaways on my Twitter with cash whenever I'm winning anything. So follow me, guys, because if I take a big W, I'm always happy to share. You know, send out another $50-100 to my people out there. You know.
Hey man, I gotta seal it with this, man. You know, on Bad Boys. After, you know what I'm saying, one of them do something cold, they always look at each other. From now on, that's how you trade and talk.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
Let's go, man.
That's
how you do it, man.
Unicorn hat.
Man, let's go, man. From now on, that's how you trade and talk.
That's it. So yeah,
Betty Crocker in the kitchen. Let's go.
Right now, it's the 11 o'clock candle. So like I said, you know, I usually stay away from those hourlies because like you get weird moves at that 1 hour mark. So I'm going to give it a couple minutes over there. But I'm looking to get into some more IXCTs or support and resistance, because really IXCT in this type of barcode environment that we're looking at is really great, because really all IXCT is the idea that the candle's going to not really push yet. It's going to be just moving around a little bit, right? Like that's the whole thought. So when I'm seeing barcoding, like that's exactly the thought behind IXCT. And I love that where you're putting your buy, it's the bottom of where every time price touches, it shoots up, right? That's like the bottom of this new 5-minute range that's forming. That's really between 580 and 645. It's pretty much like a little range over there. So let's see.
Brother, I'm setting the limit order, man. I'm thinking it might reject again where I can grab a quick profit again.
Yeah, guys, brain rot race. Okay, I know there's one guy in brain rot who's a log, and his name's like Tung Tung Dung Dung. Does anyone know what I'm talking about?
What the heck
anyone
is
in
that?
The chat? His name is like Ting Tong Tung Tung, Ting Tong Thong Thong Ding Dong. Somebody knows it. Somebody knows.
What the heck, man?
Yeah, there it is. Tong 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 Sahar. Yeah, see, I told you there's some weird names. I know some of it. There's Tong Tong, there's Strawberryna, Cappuccina, there's Sharkadito, Bandito, there's right? Who else is in there? There's that Mandarin who eats himself as a baby, Mandarino, Bombardito, Bombardo, Cappuccino. You know who I'm talking about, right? I know I'm in my 40s, but I'm not like other teenagers. I'm in my 40s. That's
man, we the same. It's all good.
Yeah, you know, when I first met you, I thought you were like in your 20s, bro. You looking
for real?
For real. Like I'm like, all right, 26-year-old getting into trading now, and you know. Like,
well, I mean I do get that a lot, man. When I used to work the 9 to 5, man, some lady came up to me. She was like, "Hi, young man. You're doing such a good job. Make sure you go home and tell your mother that you are doing good. Go get you some ice cream." I'm like, "Yes, ma'am, I will. But I'm married. I have 3 girls." She said, "Oh, well, do it anyway." I'm like, okay, man.
Yeah. Call your mom anyway. It's always good to call your mom. You know?
Yeah, man.
So what you got cooking here? Let's see. You got that sell limit over there, waiting in the wakes over there. Let's see.
I'm actually trying to look for a quick scalp. I'm looking for it to come touch the bottom of this 30-minute liquidity zone so I could get a quick one in again, man. I don't know if I get it or not.
I want to. Yeah, you know what? I think I might be able to get into a little IXCT over here. Let's give it a shot. Let's try a little IXCT real quick.
I'm waiting. Got it.
Let's see. Well, that's part. Let's see. We need another. And we out. That's two. That's two. Now again, everyone's saying like, oh, that's gambling. That's gambling. Okay. It's gambling. Don't you want to do this? Don't you want to make $40 on a candle like that or more? I'm making 40 because it's I got $1,000 drawdown here on 50Ks. I'm making 80 on a few times on a candle. So okay, it's gambling, but don't you want to have 7 wins in a row on like 5 different candles and call it a day? If that's gambling, or do you want to be trading where you stare at the chart all day and then you get popped because you're waiting for low to get smoked, right? Which never happens because no one really cares about Asia low. You know, so that's right. Green is green, bro. It's and I'm not hating on any strategy. My whole thing that I keep saying is if you're profitable, you are crushing it no matter what your strategy is. But you can't like a profitable trader doesn't hate on another profitable traders because we all respect the game. We're like, you figured out a way where 95% of people can't. We figured out a way to consistently make money. So haters gonna hate, but they hate us because they ain't us. You know what I'm saying? Like profit is profit.
Trevor said earlier, money is money. You can't beat that, man.
So I mean, yeah. So like, that's it. That's what I'm in it for. So if you're giving me, if you're saying I have 2 choices, I could become an expert trader and not be making money, or trade my way, but it's considered gambling and consistently make money, I will trade my way every day because I got to pay my bills. And you know what? The bank, they don't say, hey, wait, quick question. Did you risk you know what? Let me call him real quick because like let me prove it to the people because I see people in the chat don't believe it. Okay. I'm gonna call JP Morgan real quick and confirm it for you guys.
Yeah. That's
hey, JP Morgan.
Ike, is this you again?
Yeah. You know the chat.
The chat doesn't believe that negative RR is accepted like real money.
Yeah, I know. I have to keep calling you this, but they're thinking. Could you just confirm this once and for all? If someone gets $1,000 payout, but they did it in 10 trades, getting $100 each, or if they did it in 1 trade to get that 1,000, do you treat the money the same?
Ike, we do not care. Any cash coming in, regardless if you took 1 trade or 1,000,000 trades, or if you trade ICT, SMT, FVG, Unicorn, field goals, whatever it is you're trading, we do not care. You get the payout, we treat it the same.
So you're saying, hold on, guys, wait, you're telling me if I take a trade risking $100 to win $10, you'll still treat the money as regular USD?
Like, we got no time for this. Just send in the money, keep the payouts coming, we'll talk later.
All right, sorry, JP Morgan. Talk to you later. Sorry about that. I got to prove it to chat sometimes.
I
have to prove it.
There we go.
Exactly.
Let's go, man. Oh, snap, man. That was
okay.
good.
Someone's saying I think is best you talk all more about your strategy and way to read the markets. Trying to explain what you do is gambling. Okay, yeah, you're right. Listen, I'm always down to talk about everything, but I just saw some chat talk about gambling, and it's just like I want you all to be profitable, and part of getting that mindset right is like forget about if it's gambling or not gambling. Okay, like people put money in a bot or an EA or like in a what do you call an indicator or something. You're trusting that. Like it's almost like if you're trusting something else to do it, it's not gambling, but if you're doing it yourself, it is. Like, so you're right, but let's get back to the strategy. But I just want to address that because part of being profitable is your mindset, and I think that like once you're a profitable trader, you could be profitable with any strategy. Any strategy at all. Like I bet you if Corey wanted to learn some new strategy, he would be profitable with it because it mixes with, look at that. There we go. Fill in the wick. Let's go.
I tried to hurry up and move my stop loss, of course. Let's see what we're gonna get. Yep. I'm out. Got it. I got it.
Bro, beautiful trades today. Beautiful trades today.
Not financial advice. Not financial advice.
And so, yeah, any questions about my ICT strategy or support and resistance, definitely hit me up. I try to announce it while I'm doing it, but any questions, I'm happy to help and walk through and tell you what I'm seeing here.
Hey, I will vouch for brother. I tried this stuff yesterday, and the dude, man, the stuff worked, man.
Yeah, listen, I that's the beauty about it. Like, there's consistent payouts. It's not a random new thing to try out. It's like I'm doing it. Like I'm showing you. Like it's not. You know what I mean? When someone's doing it, you can't really like discuss it. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's like, what else can we say here? All
And
right,
I'm
that's a
not
beautiful
just
trade. Where do you think you're going now? Up? You think we're still climbing, or what are you looking for?
I think it's going to end up climbing, man. That's why I got in a little early to go hit that 9 EMA, but I wasn't going to wait till it hit the 9, but still got profit though.
You know, I'm gonna try a little Ike CT move over here. You know, Ike CT, everyone, just as a reminder, I'm going off a 5-minute, 15-minute candle, really. So we got in that. Uh-oh. Might have gotten in at a bad time on this one. Let's see. But that's fine too, right? I have my stop loss in place, and this is a proven strategy, meaning I could take a loss. I've taken losses, and then you build back. It's not fun, of course, when you're doing negative RR, risking so much more than what you can make. But the beauty, there we go. That's another one. That's 3.
Got him.
No, not financial advice. Not financial advice.
Cooking with grease.
So I have my stop loss in there, right? My stop loss gets cooked. That's fine. We keep it going. It's not going to blow my account, right? There's people who trade with a negative RR, with a positive RR. Like they need a high RR, 3 RR, 4 RR, right? We need that. But then they take 1 L and they proceed to blow their account after that because they go on tilt. So who cares what your RR is if after 1 trade, you're going to blow your account because you go on tilt, right? So yeah. I have my W from Dino. W's in the chat. W's. Wow. So, wow, this is, you know, see this type of price action, which a lot of people hate because it's chop. No. I like it, right? And I think you like it too, because we like bouncing from places. We're bouncing.
Yeah, man.
Like finding a bottom and a top and just bounce it up and down. Like, hey.
Bounce, BG, bounce, bounce, bounce.
Exactly. So that's where we're at right now. So we took 5 W's on stream.
Do.
Look out.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, where we at? Oh, here we go. We got to get the hat. Hold on, brother.
Let's see. See, this is my, here we go. Let me put this on the big screen so I can see this. Oh, we're all. Let's see.
We got tong dong in the front place. We got watermelon crocodilo.
Here we go. Come on, y'all.
Who we got? We got Froggy Tire Macamire.
Let's go.
Come on, y'all.
Oh, we got SVJ running ahead. What? Oh.
Come on, y'all. Keep racing. Keep going. Let's go.
Look out. We got Banana Chimpadella. We got Pambacino Cappuccino.
We got the muffin babies with the tire.
Oh, look out. Shark. We got the turtle, the frog head, tire body. Okay, who we got? Oh, we got the orange. Oh boy, it's coming down to the wire here. We got Bombadillo, Crocodillo, Fishy, Catchy Beach. We got Zebra, Crocodibra. Oh, here we go. Dong, Sahar. We got Oh, it's Be Good. Wow.
We call that the catfish.
We just got catfish by 4 feet.
Catfish. We got the catfish in the building.
I think that's Catty Fishy Bumbadishi or something like that.
What in the world, man?
Wow.
Catfish.
Congrats to these winners. Congrats.
Congratulations, y'all, man.
Damn, you know, I mean, that's a fish, a cat with human legs. I mean, how could it lose? How could it lose?
We're gonna call it hum catfish.
I like it. Humcafish. Bless you.
Oh my! Oh, you should have sneezed. That's good, dude. What you say?
Hookahfish. Gesundheit.
That's funny, man.
All right, let's see what we can do. We can still catch a little something over here, right? So you hit like 4 trades already, 4 nice trades on this stream.
Man,
right?
so far, yeah, man.
Oh, we are cooking today.
That's what I'm talking about, man.
We are cooking.
I needed some of that. I needed some of that Forex ite over here, cause Monday, boy, I got treated like I was just trash.
You know, after that, I had to take. I was like, I called the market makers. I really gave them a piece of my mind.
Oh my gosh, man!
And that's why they said they said they didn't know, and I was like, it's not okay. So you know,
I had to pull my Bernie Mac sound on him, man.
Turn up.
Now, what you talking about some milk and cookies? Now you're gonna tell me I can't get my trade, huh? You better get out there. You better get out of the kitchen, I tell you. You better hit my TP, I tell you. Get out of the kitchen trying to get some milk and cookies. I had to, man.
You had to. I had to. But you know, no rear view mirror. Once you're done with that trading session, delete, boom. I ordered one of those Men in Black pens on Amazon. So next time,
oh my gosh,
if we're having a bad stream, I like should come tomorrow.
I rewatched it yesterday. I was like, that was so dope, man.
I checked on Amazon. I'm like, mind erasing pen. They're like, got you. It's like,
That's
is there
funny.
anything Amazon doesn't have? Like,
Yeah.
So we're back in this rejection area down here.
Here we go. I'm thinking about it again.
I know, but we're pushing, right? Like it's coming with like the vengeance, it looks like.
I really want to get in, but I gotta wait. It's
I know,
touching
part
this
of me wants to
bottom.
get in on a flip, maybe. Like if price can push a little further down, I would put like a. See if maybe I could catch a little bit. Let's see. See if I could just take a little, what the kids call a stab at it. Let's see.
I'm gonna wait. All right, I'm in. I'm gonna take it.
You're in. You got in at the bottom over there.
Yep, I'm in. Come on, give me a pop.
Yeah, I want this going up to 616, and that will take me in.
We almost there. Come on. Get up there. There we go. All right, I got. Oh shoot! Come on, man! I couldn't move it fast enough.
Oh
my gosh!
There we go. We gotta flip. We gotta keep it moving.
Oh yeah, this definitely gonna come down. Dang, I couldn't move my stop loss fast enough,
I
man.
know that happens to me. I'm telling you, mess with the download the Ninja Trader app. I think you're gonna like it, especially because you can have built-in and you know all your Tradeovate accounts work through that. So especially because you can have built-in take profits already in there that then you could move. So you can have it that automatically your take profit is like 8 points, let's say, and then you can just move it up if you want. But you know, it's yeah, TradingView does that, right? You saw it happen to me just before. Ninja Trader is cool on the phone, you know. And Corey and I both got that fold phone, and so on this, man,
it's all good.
Yeah,
it's all good.
Yeah, it was coming down with the vengeance, right?
Yeah,
looking angry.
But look, though, keep playing with me. We're gonna do it again.
I still have my stop order in there. If price can come all the way back up, I'm still sitting there to see what happens. But like, what?
I'm right back in again.
All right, let's do it.
Dang, golly, come on, man. Ugh. Here we go. It didn't came.
Now's the time to flip. Now's the time.
It didn't swipe the liquidity down here. Pop up. What we gonna do? We're at 25, 30. There we go. We hit it. We got it back.
Nice.
We got it back. Okay.
Perfect. I'm still sitting there waiting to get in. But we'll see. Might not happen.
I didn't like that.
I'm in.
Okay, let's go.
Let's see.
What you aiming for, man? I can't see your thing.
Can you see it or?
Oh, yeah. I see it. I switch screens. There we go.
Come on. Just need a little push. Maybe when we get up to the EMA, I'd move stops to profit or a little bit into there. All right, we're up 10 points on this right now. Little pullback. There we go.
This thing finna pump. Yeah, man.
I'm ready to move it. I'm waiting. One more push. I want one more push, then I'll move it in. There we go. All right, we'll just put it right there for now.
Go touch that yellow line, man. What yellow line is that?
That's the EMA 20.
Got you.
20. Trailing stops here. Oh, got out. Okay,
let's
got
go.
A quick 10. Got a quick 10, but that's another dub. And that was support and resistance over there.
Let's go.
So we 3 dubs on support and resistance, 3 dubs on ICT. So ICT. So that's another thing, Chad, is it's good to have like like my two different, I guess, strategies is support and resistance and XCT. Support and resistance is more of a longer trade, more points. It doesn't happen as often, but XCT happens way more often for less money, but it keeps printing. And that's why I started going more and more to the scalping, because I follow the money, right? I got into trading for the money. So when I see a strategy, let's say I love support and resistance, which I do, and I love trading it. It's even fun to trade, like finding the bottom, blah, blah, blah. It's fun. So I love trading support and resistance. But if more money's at XCT, that's where you're going to find me, you know? I'm in this for the money. So as much as I love support and resistance, you'll see me hitting XCT way more, because if I see 30 bucks on the street, I'm picking it up. And that's what XCT is. It's 30 bucks on the street for you to pick up every few minutes, you know?
I done learned a lot from you about this ICT stuff, man. I heard about it, but really like never seen like somebody that.
You might have heard ICT, which is a total different thing.
Oh, what are you saying? Ike. Oh,
it's my right. It's very different. ICT is some crazy trading where you better have a bunch of empty notebooks to fill up and watch like hours of videos. But there's a big following of ICT. ICT would roll over in his grave if he saw trading like this, because he's a whole like, it's all an algo, everything's programmed, blah, like he's out there, bro. But
my bad, man. I thought you were saying, I'm like, what is this?
There's only one ICT right now, but there's more and more every day. I see it on Twitter. There's more and more.
I got you. Okay.
Yeah. So I can tell you have a passion for trading. I have a passion for trading, but really I have a passion for making money and for helping other people make money, especially if it doesn't cost me money, right? So if I don't need to like go sit down with you and show you, and I could just show you what I'm doing and you're able to copy and make money, that's my passion really. Like trading, bro, I trade to make money so I could not trade, right? Like I don't want to be trading all day. I like taking my hits, 150, 200, 200, 200 on different accounts and calling it a day, right? So my passion is life, and the money from trading gives me a great life. You know what I'm saying? That's really my passion. And helping people when it's so easy like this, just watch what I'm doing, ask me questions. I'm an idiot. So if I can do it, I know everyone could do it. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, I am a simple dude from Brooklyn. That's it. Just trying to make a living in the market. That's me, you know?
Hey, man, let's promote these likes up right quick, man. They down on the likes today, man.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Hey, let's go, y'all. Hey, everybody go take a minute right now. Go tell your mom, your papa, your meemaw, your pawpaw, your cousins, your second, your third cousin, your homie, your sister. Everybody go tell everybody to come like the stream on MyFundedFutures, man. Me and my brother Ike, man. Ike CT is here. Let's go, man.
That's right. And if you're in an Apple store or somewhere, go to every computer there and like the stream. You know, if you're at a library, go around and just say, hey, can you log in and like this real quick? And look why I take my profits early every time, right? Because what happens? Price could flip at any moment. So if I didn't take my 10 points there and trail my stops and say, nah, set it and forget it, I just got to let it run, I shouldn't manage a trade, I would have got smoked here. So instead of me making 90 bucks on that, I would have lost 125, right? So that's why I always take my trades, my profit, and we go on to the next candle. Like it's no thing, but this is proof. This is why you do it, because I don't want L's. I do not want them.
Man, y'all go hit that like button. I know people coming to the stream. We have a good time. You know what I'm saying? MyFundedFutures is doing it like nobody else, man. Shoot, man, with the prop firm space, what happened, man? Hey, they giving y'all 50% off. Oh,
50% off. 25K accounts now. Code YouTube. You're learning so many strategies to watch in this channel. Like every one of us trades different. And some of us more complex, some of us simpler, but we all got something going, and you watch it all. You see what jives with you, what you feel, and you can ask everyone questions. It's not like you're watching a video that you paid thousands of dollars for. This is free on YouTube to watch and speak and ask questions, not financial advice. But you know what I'm saying? Like where else? Where else?
To be honest, man, MyFundedFutures is top, man. They doing stuff I ain't heard nobody else do.
Yeah.
Y'all come on, y'all.
If people were following our trades on stream or taking some of them, I mean, Corey went like 5-1-5. I won 5 nice ones. I won 6 small ones. Like Come on, guys. I mean, if you were just picking every other trade, everybody'd be up right now. You know what I mean? So
Yes, sir.
and we're doing it. We're doing it live where people can ask questions and see our thoughts and why we're doing it. And really that's the way to get because once you understand it, you can then start making it your own and find your ICT, right? Like this is my ICT. Corey might be messing with it. He's like, I kind of like it better on the 10-minute. And I like to wait till here. I see I'm making money there. That's Corey CT, man. It's everyone's CT in this is just like the candlestick theory. That's it. We're just anticipating a little candlestick breathing, right? Like that's all we're doing. We're not guessing where price is going to be in the next hour or 2 hours or by end of day or end of week. We just think this candle is going to be moving a bit, and we just want to take a little crumb and move on. That's it.
That's what's up, man. Shout out to Pine Tree Trader in the chat, said rapid payout
Tree.
locked in. Let's go, man.
Bro, Pine has so many
Let's
payouts,
go.
man. It's crazy.
Man. Let's go, Pine.
I gotta either do a trip up to Maine or get Pine to come down to New York, go out for a nice meal and chat about how he does everything, because it's super impressive.
Everybody getting money in their own way though, man. Yeah. Let's go. MFFTV.
So what you got? You're gonna be streaming after this on your channel?
Man, we finna turn up today extra.
That's it. Lock in a couple payouts, right?
Yeah, man. I'm trying, man. I did good on my Rapid account, man. So I didn't say nothing, but man, after Monday stream, I went on tilt, dog. I'm gonna keep it 100. I'm gonna be real. All that top ticking and bottom tick, man. And then what ended up making it worse was I traded the wrong account. I wanted to take trades in a eval, but took it in my funded account. Got mad. So I did what I did. I was like, I ain't going out like this, Craig Day. Man, I was like, say hello to my little friend. I went and bought another Rapid and passed it, and then got me another 25K builder, man. We just gonna preserve ourselves and we're gonna be humble.
Yeah, man. That's the thing. Is like it's easy to rush, but really the faster you chase it, the faster it will run away from you. You know what I'm saying? So it's like if you slow down, the money will come so much quicker. If you say, look, I'll make $300 a day in 10 days, that's $3,000. But no, a lot of people are like, no, I got to make $1,000 a day for the next week, 5 days, $1,000. It's like, why? You really need to make $5,000 this week? How about $3,000 in 10 days? And then you copy trade that. And now you're making $6,000 in 10 days. Like if you slow down and realize this is real money, it's not fake 10,000, 20, it is real cash you could be taking out.
Yeah.
200-300 a day is a beautiful thing. Like it's a beautiful thing. You know what I mean?
Man, we got 3 minutes until the stream in, y'all. We done had such a fun time today. Me and my brother both made money today. Everybody ought to go hit this like button, man. Use code YouTube, buy you some accounts, man. We lit today over here, y'all. We done made manyan, man. Go hit the like button. Come on, hit the like button, boy.
Yeah, and we love feedback. So any ideas or things for the stream, always, message us, put it on Twitter, let us know. We always love doing some fun stuff here. So, let us know. We're always happy to have fun, entertain, take trades, questions, all that. So yeah, it's always a good time. So we'll see. I mean, look, we are in this range, right? We are just locked in this range here. I mean, it almost makes me want to get into a little short over here, just because it's like we're filling these wicks, we're bouncing from yellow to yellow pretty much. I might put a sell stop. If price flips, if price will flip, I'll get in it. If it doesn't, then we not.
Man, I'm totally done, man. I gotta wait till we get above the yellow, or we gotta come sweep this low down here again, man, for me to get in. I'm done.
So that's what I'm hoping for, the sweep down. So I'm hoping that if we do sweep down, it takes me with it. You know what I mean? Like I put in my sell limit down at 590, and I'm hoping that if price goes down to 590, it will continue down to like 558. If price just keeps going up, I cancel this trade as soon as we close above my resistance, which is 616. So if this candle here would close above 616 now in like 20 seconds or so, I would just cancel this order and anticipate now price to keep going up all the way to 682, right? I just follow price. I'm not If price is closing above, I think it's going to keep going. Price starts closing below, I think it will keep going down. You know, it's
okay.
I just follow it. Thank you, everyone. And sent in there, and a cent. I mean, Prash, Nitish, all you guys. Thank you so much for coming here. You know, we do this. We might do this again on Monday or Wednesday, whenever we can. We're always doing this, man. This is always a fun time, Corey. I love chilling with you, man.
They like us. They really like us, man. Let's go.
You know, in honor of us having such a good big stream today, such a good stream, maybe I'll pop a little
Oh, let's go.
Have a good one, everyone. We're gonna pop off, literally. Let's go.
Countdown. Let's do a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, man.
Oh.
The time is out, y'all, man. Shout out to my boy Ike. Shout out to Core the Phone Trader here. Shout out to my sis Terry, Tom. We had our boy Pine Tree and Methodical Man. We out, signing out, y'all. It's been a great stream. We done made some money today. Holla at you, brother.